CORAM.
2012.
2012 matter.
Why didn't we listed after vacation?
As a lordship was
30th project.
Seek your lordship's kind approval, but I could not come to court. But
No
like
problem.
one GRS transfer matter, my client is suffering since 1.5 months. Not despite your lordship has specifically directed to the collector to
Which item? Which is the item?
an item name I have out of mention to I have filed content petition. Despite several memos, it could. Your lordship has, she was transferred out of block, in district transfer. Your lordship modified that transfer order, and your lordship directed to transfer her within that nearby Gram Panchayat. Despite that, backdate करके तो
nearby Gram Panchayat nothing like
ना अच्छी ना vacancy अच्छी.
How do you know that?
अच्छी I will satisfy the lordship. That maybe the contest CONTC number 6593 of 2023. Sure, 6593 of 2023.
6593 of 27. Okay.
Item number 1.
I think mentioning how nahi. Both mentioning. I'm wasting 15 minutes of mentioning. No point. Call to अब mentioning पे समय नहीं. जो regular जो ये mentioning था urgent आ रहा छाने दो ऊपर. Regular जो routine mentioning don't allow. Only exceptional cases mentioning will allow.
Here, the present petitioner has challenged the judgment of 1 year conviction and a compensation of 9,60,000.
What is that conviction for what?
Oh, 130.
What is wrong in that order?
The main illegality I have pointed out. 326 is the procedure because in the particular case, the case was posted to a particular date for judgment. On the day, because of the non-appearance of the petitioner, Honorable Court has kept the judgment in the seal cover. And thereafter, when the petitioner entered the appearance to the ballot, thereafter, as per the procedure, the latter court has only to open the sealed cover and to pronounce the judgment. But the court has again go back, has taken some evidence and again they has passed the judgment, which is not permissible. 326 CRPC is the only procedure where it speaks out also such things, where it says that the judgment, if judgment has not been pronounced, then such a case he can. Because if
where have you taken that?
I specifically taken
Which-
count
which-
in
which
para. Page 6, ballot. Of my page 6, 5 and page 5 and 6. The grounds V and VI, ballot. One V and VI, ballot. Because the judgment was already ready, prepared, kept in seal cover.
What is the issue here?
Issue, as per the prosecution case, the complaint case, he has given a 5 lakhs loan to the present petitioner appellant for the purpose of purchase for management of a rice mill. It was not materialized, for which a check was given. It was bounced, and that has resulted in the case. That's all. Complaint case.
The issue notice.
As per the usual procedure, notice has to go.
The petitioner has filed the revision. Conviction and sentence order under section 357(3).
Like compensation.
Sorry,
Compensation.
SI for 1 year, and also to pay compensation under section 357(3) of the CRPC when amount of 9,60,000. That is the payment of compensation to undergo for the SI for 3 months. Further, in such view the matter, that notice be issued to the opposite party, returnable on 7th November. Returnable 7th November. The Not of the petitioner to find the requisite within 3 working days.
Well, two IAs are there.
I
Bail-
go to the
Bail and stay of relation file.
Hmm.
Bail and stay, my lord, to admit the.
bail
Again,
bail kinti
I conviction is
CRL with the bail
conviction over.
CRL with the bail kinti
Conviction. He has been
But
convicted.
CRL में इधर मने
No, my lord, the court below, the SDM has my lord, passed the order. Against that, we preferred appeal. Appeal also dismissed. Against that, revision.
Okay.
My lord. That's why.
where that I
Two IAs are there. No?
I number 623 of 2023 arising out of CRL. He's inside.
No. As for the procedure, my lord, because the appeal has been disposed of, now imbue is there. He my lord may die on surrender. He shall be released on bail.
How to
How to stay of relation fine?
stay the fine. Stay the relation of fine and compensation. Seventh.
Right. Admission hoba, admit hoba.
Next.
Item 2,
May I please, Your Lordship? In spite of the Honorable High Court order, the government has not paid the appropriate compensation to the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
In spite of Honorable High Court
What
order,
is the order, High Court order, sir?
kindly have a glance, Annexure
What
3,
is
my
the
lord,
order?
page
Orally
30.
depend ହବନି, ମୁଁ glance କିଛି କରିବିନି, ଆପଣ orally କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ
Oral-
glance
The crux of the
shortcut.
case, the crux of the case is that, my lord,
କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା?
on 2005, a check dam was constructed by the irrigation department. Thereafter,
Check dam.
on check dam, in the year 2007, 2005,
କୋଉଠି?
in the village of the petitioners, that
କୋଉ
is
ଗାଁ? କୋଉ
Jharsuguda.
ଝାରସୁଗୁଡ଼ା village କି?
ଅଛି
ଝାରସୁଗୁଡ଼ା
କୁତୁରୁମା କୁତୁରୁମା village is
ପୁରା
କୁତୁରୁମା.
କହିବେ ଆଉ ଝାରସୁଗୁଡ଼ା ଫାଳେ ଫାଳେ କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ପୁରା କହିବେ। ଅମକା district, ଅମକା village, ଅମକା district ସିଧା କହିବେ।
Thereafter, on 2007, it was demolished, and the cultivation land of the petitioner,
Who demolished?
so much whenever water was fast, then
ସୁମୋଟୋଟାକୁ demolish କହିବେ?
Mannukur check dam ଟା abolish kala.
Demolish କହିବ? Demolish has to be always through some human force or something.
Anyhow, it was
No, no,
done.
no. So wash away କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି, demolish କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? Use right word, sir.
Yes, yes,
You are paid for this right word.
yes, yes.
How can you not use right word? Wash away. ଦେଇଗଲା। ତାପରେ
Since 2007, the petitioner was not paid a single
who
money
has assessed
amount.
that? କିଏ assess କଲା?
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି step
ଆପଣ
by step.
କହିବେ ପଛେ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ wash away ହେଇଗଲା କିଏ assess କଲା? ତହସିଲଦାର assess କଲା?
କେହି access କଲେ ନାହିଁ।
ଆପଣ ନ approach କଲେ କେମିତି ଲୋକ ଆପଣ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ହବ ଯେ ଆସିକି assess କରିବେ? ଆପଣ approach କରିଥିଲେ କାହାକୁ?
ହଁ,
କୋଉଠି କରିଥିଲେ?
ତହସିଲଦାରଙ୍କୁ କରିଥିଲୁ,
କାଇଁ-
କଲେକ୍ଟରଙ୍କୁ
କାଇଁ
କରିଥିଲୁ,
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ?
ଅଛି Annexure 5, 7 ସବୁ ଅଛି ତା ଦେହରେ।
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ନା,
Annexure-
ଅଛି ବୋଲେ ହବ କି?
ତା
ଏ-
for that reason,
ଆପଣ
the
କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଦେଖେ ମୁଁ
the pit-
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ 2022 ରେ କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା କେସ୍ ଟା? କେବେ
2000
ହେଇଥିଲା?
High Court case
ଆଜ୍ଞା କେବେ ଇସ୍ୟୁଡ ଯୋଉ ଇନ୍ସିଡେନ୍ସ କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
2007
7 ଆପଣ ପଠେଇଲେ କେବେ? 2022 ରେ
ଆମେ ପଠେଇନୁ, ଆମେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଲିଖିତ ଆକାରରେ ଦବା
ଆପଣ
ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ
ଦେଖିକି ତ ଆଗରେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
2007 ରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି।
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ଏଥିରେ ସବୁ annex କରିନି ମୁଁ।
କାହିଁ କରିବେନି? କେମିତି ଜାଣିବୁ ଆମେ ଆପଣ 2007 ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଲି କଣ ପ୍ରୁଫ୍ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ?
If your lordship call for
Sir, I am
call,
not going to see them. I have to show me the proof. ଆପଣ ନିଜ ଆଡୁ ଯଦି ନେଗ୍ଲିଜେନ୍ସ କରିବେ सॉरी
ମୋ ପଟୁ କୌଣସି ନେଗ୍ଲିଜେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ
ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ
ଏଇ
ଆପଣ ହଠାତ୍ ଜାଗି ଯାଇଥିବେ ହଠାତ୍ 2022 ରେ ବନେଇଦେବେ 2005 ବ୍ୟାକଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଆଜିକାଲି ସେୟା ବି ହଉଛି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆରଟି ତକ ସେୟା କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ରେ ଆରଟି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ବୋଲିକି ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଲା ଟୋଟାଲି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ହଉଛି
if your lordship kind of glance page
ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିବି ସବୁ
ହଁ yes sir
ହଁ।
if your lordship
ଆପଣ
kind
2007 ର ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
where is the document that you have applied to the authority in 2007
yes
Yes.
the document all documents relevant
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଆଉ ଏସବୁ କହନ୍ତୁନି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି
କୋଉଠି?
18462 WPC 18462 2021 ରେ ଅଛି
18400 ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ଯିବି ମ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ଦେଖେଇବେ ନା 18400 ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଯିବି
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ସେମାନେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ
ସାର୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୁଧା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ମୁଁ କିଛି ବୁଝିବିନି ମତେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦରକାର ମତେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ where is the document first document that you have approached to the authority simple
I have annexed that document
ଆପଣ ସେ ସବୁ
by WPC number 18
ଦରକାର ଏବେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଲାଗିଛି ସେଟା ନା ଲାଗିଛି
ସେଇ ରେକର୍ଡ ଆସିଲେ ହେରି ଜଣା ପଡେ ତା ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ନାଇଁ ଅଛି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେ
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଲଗେଇଲେନି ତାହେଲେ
ସବୁ ହେଲା
matter you are filing something why are you not filing the relevant document this is relevant for you
honorable ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି
High
there
Court order ଥାଉ High Court order I don't care any High Court order ଆପଣ ଏଇ କେସ୍ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଶୁଣୁଛି ମୁଁ ସେଇ କଥା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିବି High Court order ଯାଅ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦିଅ ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡରଟେ ହେଇଥିବ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ନୁହଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି
ହଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କଣ ଥିଲା ଅର୍ଡର
କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଆଉ ଦବା ପାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ ସିଏ ସେଥିରେ ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 3,50,000 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
why didn't you file contempt
ଆଜ୍ଞା
contempt का file करें
they have complied
फिर कौन ऐसे दे
ହଁ yes that is the
yes
my lord
ଆପଣ ତ କହିଲେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲା ଅର୍ଡର କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ ବି କଲା फिर କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲେ
ହଁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି kindly have a glance page
ହଁ ହଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
kindly have a glance page 14
ମୁଁ
annexure
ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ
3
କରିବିନି ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ,
ମୁଁ
କଣ
ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ
ପାଇଁ?
ପଛରେ ଏଇ
ସେମାନେ-
ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଯିବିନି
they have not
ମତେ ବତାନ୍ତୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆଉଥରେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
yes
ହଁ।
they have only paid 3,40,000
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା
50,000
ଭିତରେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରି ପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଏ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ପଳେଇବେ କଣ ଦରକାର
they have issued the
ଯଦି
letter
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଲା ଦିଅ ସବୁ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଅଧା ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରି ପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ କଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେନି
why I am filing this as because
why is because you will get a second fee that is the only thing
no that is
how
not
come?
the intention of mine
not then why have you filed this you
yes
file contempt
because they have written a letter
Ah.
to the state government
କିଏ
the collector of the that is additional district magistrate Sundargarh
କଣ ଲେଖିଛି
they have written that submission of a copy of the proceeding of compliance with the order dated 16/7/2021 passed by the Honorable High Court of Orissa Cuttack by WPC number 18462/2021 in the matter Sri Tularam Prasad the prisoner versus State of Orissa sir the reference to the subject cited
ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଡିଟେଲ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଟାଇମ ନାହିଁ ଏତେ
yes
ଶୁଣିବା
in the matter
directly come to the point what
Yes.
is the written
in the middle of the person in the matter of Sri Tularam Prasad State of Orissa other of your kind information the necessary action of placement of funds in order to recover the advance compensation amount paid to the payment of balance compensation amount to the writ petition of Tularam Prasad of village Kuturuma of Tularam that is they have issued the letter to the state government till date 2021 that is letter was issued in 2027
କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଆପଣ ଏବେ ପଢିଲା ପରେ କହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଥିଲା
ଏଇଟା ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା ଯେ ଅବଶିଷ୍ଟ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ସେ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଯେହେତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଫଣ୍ଡସ ରୁ ସେମାନେ ଦେଲେ 3,50,000
ସେ ଅବଶିଷ୍ଟ କମ୍ପନସେସନ ଟା କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ରେ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଆଉ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ସେ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆଉ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି
ସେ ରିଟ୍ ଟା ରିପେଟିସନ ଡିସପୋଜ ହବ
ସେ-
ସେ ତ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟୋନ ଟେନର ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସପୋଜାଲ କି କଣ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସବୁ ହେଇଗଲା ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଥାର ଆପଣ ମୁହଁରୁ ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ ଜାଣି ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ସେମିତିଆ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇନଥିବ କେବେ ବି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ଯୋଡି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଯାହା ଇଚ୍ଛା ତା ଦେଲେ ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଲେ ପଢିବେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆସିକି କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପାଇଁ
Yes, sir.
ହଁ କଣ
paragraph.
only that person
From the paragraph
don't mislead the court
no madam.
କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ମିସଲିଡ୍ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ରେ କଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇକି ଛାଡ଼ିବି
No,
I am not going to spare like this
why I am misleading
no
for the
yes
client
misleading
for the
କଣ
client.
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କଣ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ
the considering the submission made by the parties the court directs the collector cum district magistrate Sundargarh opposite party to consider the representation at the instant of petitioner by annexure 1
କଣ କହିଲେ ଏତିକି ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେ ସେତିକି ଅଧା ଦେଇଦେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ କେତେ କଣ ଭାଷଣ ମାଇଲେ ଏବେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ମୁଣ୍ଡରୁ କହୁଛି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସପୋଜାଲ ହେଇଥିବ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ମାନୁନାହାନ୍ତି जानते से रिकमेंडेशन दे दो तो कहीं ऐसे नहीं
To
अब
take-
रिजेक्शन को दी
Next part.
रिकमेंडेशन रिजेक्शन
Next
को
one.
दी
To take a lawful decision in the matter taking into account of the grounds stated.
फॉर्मेट ढांचा छाप छाप चिपके दियो इधर कौन अच्छी किसी ऑर्डर है ऑर्डर मानने कौन है ऑर्डर
Lawful decision.
मेन नो मीनिंग एट ऑल से ऑर्डर किसी मीनिंग ही नहीं
This
एमती
is
आप केते ऑर्डर जाए से मैंने पके दियंती तांको डस्टबिन रे एमती डस्टबिन रे थाए तळे पके
this is the Honorable High Court order.
ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट को कि मानू ना सर एमती ऑर्डर देला ऑनरेबल को मानिबे नहीं ऑर्डर जदी पूरा दे एति कि ऑर्डर मानिबे आ एमती रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज ऑर्डर फोपड़ी देला बडे फुटबॉल रू गुटे गोल पोस्ट को आइला आ गुटे बॉल गोल मारला पळेला से पडे एमती चलथिबो एने एने नाही फुटबॉल गेम सरी जिवो आपण बुडा हे जिवो मरि जिवो किछि पाइ एडा होई खेल
Ultimately the petitioner was harassed.
आपण मनकर तो मजा ना सेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्पोजल ऑर्डर पे गेला ओ आज्ञा आपण पूरा बढ़िया ऑर्डर हे जिसी बढ़िया कर देली बोले देखला से ऑर्डर किछि न थियो बेचारा खुशी तो आ
नहीं तादर मध्य पाइची पिटिशनर पाइची 3,50,000 पाइची तादर in spite of that order the petitioner have issued
टाइम रे आपण कोन हेदिला केते केते एरिया बाली मडला
सेते अछि 5 एकर तार बाली माडी लॉस हे जाइछि एबे भी
कोन
गार्डवेल हे अछि
नहीं कोन जमी
चाष जमी
चाष जमी रे
हां
केंदी एते तो बाली माडीवा कथा न
टोटाल तो गोटे
अनलेस जदे बॉडी पड़ी न हले बाली माडीबो एते भाई आमे भी चासी कर आछि जानि छु किसी आईडिया अछि हमर सर एंती काहे आपण कहू
से जो असेसमेंट करके देले सेटा टू लेस
अरे
पांच-
मते कोहंतु
5 क्विंटल कोबी जगह गोटे क्विंटल
तहसीलदार केते कला किछ करछि असेसमेंट करछि
3,50,000 already disbursed.
नहीं
केते टोटल करथिला
सेटा नाही तांकर फास्ट टाइम एजी केसटा तो से दा
टेक
डॉक्यूमेंट
सेक्शन
दा डॉक्यूमेंट
चासी मान को दे दो चासी मान को ये करिबे
1 acre land total
1 एकड़
3,50,000 already paid. Record shows.
अवशिष्ट लिखि देले गवर्नमेंट को देबे से
वन अरे देजी के की हे गवर्नमेंट तो देछि आपको अवशिष्ट कोन अलगा की उडे देबो कि आउड को इनकार्नेशन एक राशि देबो
नहीं नहीं से लेटर इश्यू करछन भाई अनेक्सर 3 पेज 14
सुनंदु land council the state to take instruction regarding the damages and the compensation paid to the petitioner केते डैमेज हेची आकलन केते करा हेची आपण केते पाई माने केते टोटल अमाउंट लॉस हेची उरी करा हेची एस्टिमेटेड लॉस एंड आपण केते पाई छथि एकदम फाइल हला
आज्ञा कर
आज्ञा बी प्रिसाइज आपण एते समय नष्ट कले आपण दुई सेंटेंस आपण जिंस ही थांदा कारण आपण फाइल पढी नाहंती मो कोर्ट को फाइल पढी आला लोक माने कोन से रेस्पेक्ट नाही सॉरी आई नेवर रेस्पेक्ट द पर्सन हु डजंट रीड द फाइल एंड please read the file sir your client is reposing so much faith in you why are you not reading the file coming just like that पळे आले एंदी कहदला से भाषण मार देले
नहीं
भाषण प्रसिद्धि पे
नहीं आज्ञा मु रिजे
नाही आज्ञा एबे कोन कहले आपण
Previous-
रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्पोजल में कहू जी मानु मान नहीं नहीं एतिकी दे दे एतिकी दे दे कोई पकेले टाइम को पूरा पढ़ी के आसीबनी फाइल ला अननेसेसरी वेस्ट करछन टाइम कोर्ट डोंट डू दिस आई डोंट लाइक रिसर्च एबे सबले आपण आपण जदी केसटा आले मोर माइंड रे सबले डाउट रहइबो नै ये लोकड़ा सबले मिसलीड करे थरे मिसलीड कले सबले माइंड रहइबो मिसलीड करे तो ए लोक भलो कि देखते कोड देखो भूल ये निश्चय मिसलीड करिवो एडा रहे मु बोली नै ह्यूमन बीइंग ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी पूरा भलो कि कहीं केस प्रेजेंट करिवनी नेक्स्ट
You were right.
डेट में फिक्स
डेट दे दियो 7th नवंबर
अनदर डेट 7 डेट जो साखी अछि सुंदरगढ़ साखी अछि
6th
6
6
6
Item
Next.
3,
Also, may I please proceed? And in this case, that the brief facts of the case, that petitioner is a poor marginal farmer or abandoned Kisan credit loan. कुछ लोन मांगे
मार्जिनल फार्मर वाले केते एकड़ लैंड थाए
poor farmer.
ना आपण मार्जिनल वाटे लगेले ना मैं पचारिबी ना मार्जिनल फार्मर केते लैंड होल्डिंग थले मार्जिनल फार्मर को आजे केते लैंड होल्डिंग थले स्मॉल फार्मर को आजे कोन स्मॉल फार्मर लैंड होल्डिंग केते मार्जिनल लैंड होल्डिंग केते
One
और निश्चय जानथि बे कोर्चन रेगुलरली
one acre.
1 एकड़
Poor marginal.
पुअर मार्जिन सर अच्छी गवर्नमेंट पूरा रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट हिसाब किताब अच्छी एमती पुअर कहदेले हम नहीं पुअर कैन बी एनीबॉडी कैन बी पुअर Even a person having 100 acre of land also, he can be poor if he is an idle man, doesn't do anything, sota hai, khata hai, so he will be
Poor
poor.
ନହେଲେ କୃଷି loan ଟା sanction ହବ ନା।
Sir, small farmer who is 5 acre, marginal farmer who is 3 acre below. This is the government revenue code देखो। କିଛି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ word use କଲା ବେଳେ ବାସ୍ 10 ଥର
My lord,
ପାଇବେ।
absolutely correct.
It will be caught somewhere.
ମାନେ available kisan credit loan from the Restaurant branch SBI, my lord, 66,899 ଟଙ୍କା, my lord।
2017 ରେ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ।
ନାଇଁ ଡେବିଟ ହେଲା 66,000। That the petition repaid
ଡେବିଟ ହେଲା ନା କ୍ରେଡିଟ ହେଲା?
credit ହେଲା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରେଡିଟ ହେଇଥିବ ନା ଲୋନ
credit
ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କୁ।
66,000। ତାପରେ 8,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛି। ତାପରେ ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଲୋକ
କଣ
ଅଦାଲତରେ
8,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣ
ହଁ
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ଫଇସଲା ହବ। ଓପି ନମ୍ବର 2 ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କହିଲେ ଯେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ଫଇସଲା ହବ ଆଉ 20,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଧରିକି ଆସ। ଆମେ 20,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଲୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ହେଲାନି। ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ରସିଦ ଦେଇଦେଲୁ କହିଲେ ଏଟା ଫଇସଲା ହବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫଇସଲା କରିନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆନେକ୍ସର 5 ଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଆମ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲୋନ ଟା ରିଫଣ୍ଡେସନ ଡିସପିଜାଲ ହୁଏନି।
ମାନେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା RBI
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଗୁଡା
guideline
ଯାଉଛି
ଅନୁସାରେ
ସବୁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି।
pandemic situation
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ବୋର୍ଡ ଲଗେଇଦେବି ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ରିଫଣ୍ଡେସନ ଡିସପୋଜାଲ ଚଳିବ ନାହିଁ ଲେଖିଦେବି ଆଗରେ।
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ
ଏବେ
ଅଛି
ରିଫଣ୍ଡେସନ ନାହିଁ ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ। ଏଠିକି ଆସିବ ଏଠି ଖତମ ହବ। କାହିଁକି ରିଫଣ୍ଡେସନ ଯିବ?
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ
ଓପି
ଥାଉ
ନମ୍ବର 2
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ
ପାଖରେ।
ଆଉ ଥରେ ଫ୍ରେଶ ସେ ଆସିବ ପାର୍ଟି ଆସିବ ଏଠି। ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉଟା କ୍ଲିୟର କଟ ଫୈସଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଏମିତି ବୁଲଉଥିଲେ ଭଲ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଲଲିପପ
ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 20,000 ନେଲେ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ଏଠି ଆସିବି
ଫଇସଲା କଲେନି ରଖିଲେ।
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଡୁଇଂ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ ଟୁ ଲେଖ ଦି ପିଟିସନ ଆପଣ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ ମାତ୍ର 8,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇକି ଚୁପଚାପ ରହିଗଲେ
20,000 ଟଙ୍କା ପୁଣି ଦେଲି
ଦେଲେ
କହିଲେ ଲୋକ ଦେଲେ ଫଇସଲା ହବ।
ହଉ ଦି ପିଟିସନର ଟେକନ
5 ଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ନଟ୍ସ ମେ ବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟାକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁନି କହିଲି ପରା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଏଠି ଡିସାଇଡ ହବ କହୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ବୁଝନ୍ତିନି କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
the petitioner in this represents seeks direction from this court. Sorry, the petitioner has the petitioner is a marginal farmer held a Kisan credit card loan from the State Bank of India, ESMA branch, to the tune of rupees 66,899 in the year 2017.
I have already paid 28,000.
हाँ तो जाओ जिस The petitioner has repaid a loan of amount of rupees 8,000 and later another 20,000, totaling 28,000 has been paid by the petitioner. However, the petitioner has been classified as an NPA. The petitioner account has been classified as NPA due to irregularity in repayment. And the bank has notice to regularize the loan account, failing which the bank threatens to take coercive action against the present action. What is challenging here?
Challenge for no.
कौन challenge कर
Only for praying.
Huh?
Only for praying for consider my representation annexer 5.
ना
Lordship,
अपना
kindly
एटी
see the annexer 5,
okay.
not challenge.
In such view, the matter the petitioner is agreed by the
Annexer 5. OP number 2.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ପରେ ମନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କରୁଛି ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ସେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପରେ ମନା କରିଲି ଆପଣ
କିଛି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କର
ନାଇଁ କିଛି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ଆପଣ ଅଲୱେଜ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର କୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରାଯାଏ ସାର୍ ଏମିତି ହାୱାରେ ଆସନ୍ତିନି ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ଫାଇଲ କରି The petitioner is agreed by the non-consideration of precedent. So,
maybe
you have approached to whom?
and OP number 2.
The petitioner the petitioner has also approached the branch manager, State Bank of India, Erisma branch, Erisma Jagatsinghpur. On which date? 17/9/2023. 12/9. କେବେକାର 17 ହେଲା ନା ଆପଣ 23 ରେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି?
12/9 ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି 12/9
Application, the 4 weeks from today. ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସୌକି ଅଛି ଏଟା ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଆପଣ ତ ଚାହୁଁନାହାନ୍ତି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ
OTS ଟା
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ବଟେଇଦେଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ OTS ପାଇଁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ପୁଣି ଆସିବେ ବୋଲି ପୁଣି ଆସିବେ
ମାମୁଁ ଭାଇଟା ଦେଇଥିଲା ସେ
ମାମୁଁ ଭାଇ କି ଯାହା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଯିଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସେ ହଁ ବାସ୍ ଏଇ ସବୁ ବିଷୟ କହିବେନି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ମାମୁଁ ପୁଅ ଭାଇ ହଉ କି ଖୁଡି ପୁଅ ଭାଇ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 4.
4
Mylar BC Kevin Balangir. WPC number 30967/2023. Srimati Belmati Kumar and others petitioner.
मैडम पढ़िले एमती हबनी go step by step yes what do you want
Sir, हमें fixed deposit भांगवार लगे था. Fixed deposit भांगवार ले जाऊँ.
sorry I couldn't understand
हमें fixed deposit भांगवार लगे जाऊँ सर.
fixed deposit भांगवा लगी चाहे
5 लाख हमर अवार्ड हेथिला मोर पिटिशनर आउ 75,000 दिया होई छी आउ बाकी रेस्ट अमाउंट हमें भांगवा ले चाहू तार पुआ गुटे आउ झिया गुटे पाठ पढ़ी नि पारबा आउ से तार ब्रेन ट्यूमर हेथिला से झिया पुनी पागल हे गला पाठ नि पढ़ी करी आउ से तार हस्बैंड ता एकला अर्निंग मेंबर थिला आउ से मरि गला परे ताकर घरे कमावा ले किहे नेनो आउ हमें बारंबार डीएलएस सेक्रेटरी के रिक्वेस्ट करले बध्य से नि दबार पैसा आउ
के नहीं देवर
डीएलएस सेक्रेटरी बोलांगे
सेक्रेटरी डीएलएस देवे पैसा की
हां सर से दोछ
where now the secretary DLS is a bank or what
Master civil justice.
they have a lot of money they're paying
Yes, sir.
okay the
That
petition
award is sir tar murder tar husband murder like 5 lakh award soi sari se au 75,000 se deison ar
just hold on what is
Copy nahi.
have you given a copy to the state council give a copy to the council for the state
no sir ame se तांको बारंबार रिक्वेस्ट कर लेटर रे मांगु थनु ऑर्डर शीट सब से देले
Copy
नहीं
ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
give a copy to the council for the state if you don't give the copy how will they assist you how will they assist the court do one thing give a copy केमती देबे केमती पठे
मु बुझी पर
you give a copy at the counter
Copy read petition copy ଟେ
read
counter
petition copy टा सेठी counter रे दे दियंतु गुटे
ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ office
then
Yes.
they will send him right first give the copy
हां सर
okay first you give the copy we'll see
हां
I am fixing it on 9th रे आसु हला copy टा देले 9th रे से help करे he will also take some instruction
हां सर
9th रे आसु next
Item 5.
5
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this case, my lord, on to annexure 1, my lord, the opposite party, my lord, rejected the claim of the petitioner, my lord, for giving engagement as Shiksha Sahayak, my lord. Annexure 1, my lord, page 15, my lord.
what is the issue I don't know
The issue, my lord, they have applied for the post of Shiksha Sahayak. But though they were selected and placed in the select list, finally their candidature was rejected
why selected
Because
and
of-
rejected why
because of overage.
then
because of overage.
Overage like that, then how the court can condone the overage
No.
situation?
Yes, what happened, my lord? Subsequently, my lord, one writ appeal was filed, my lord.
Hmm.
The writ to appeal, my lord, this honorable court division of bench, my
I
lord.
was there in that match. I remember that.
Bobita.
Ah,
In that case,
that was a batch of petition, one-time measure it was done, so not for everybody and anybody whoever comes. Today one-time measure it कर दिया गला. ता अर्थ ने सब बड़ा तार चाइल्ड थी बस तार
they have committed a wrong, my lord.
What?
My lord, my lord,
आपन को
I'm
तो
pressing for-
overage committed the wrong कौन?
My lord, what happened, my lord? The background of the case, my lord. From the year 2000, my lord, they have introduced a Shiksha Sahayaka scheme, my lord. And from starting from 2000, my lord, to 2014, my lord, they have fixed upper age limit 42, my lord.
आपन को एज कितने होगी?
हमर एज सेतबेले थिला at the relevant time 33 34 थिला
ସେଇ କଥା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଓଭରଏଜ କଥା ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ କାଟିଲେ
ସେତବେଳେ କାଟିଲେ ତ 33 34 ଥିଲା but they have 32 in the year
କେମିତି କାଟିଦେବେ ସାର୍?
ସେ ପୁରା କାଟିଲେ ଅଛି ଏଥର ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇବ in the year 2016 they have fixed upper age limit 32 instead of 42
2015 ରେ 16 ରେ ସେତେବେଳେ 32 ଥିଲା
32 କଲେ
କେମିତି?
ସେ ତ କଲେ arbitrarily they have fixed date my lord
otherwise 42
otherwise 42 my lord
all शिक्षा गाइडलाइन देखलो
I have given my lord I have given
कोड देखा
let's you can have a glance of two series my lord two series three series my lord page 43 my
3 सीरीज
my lord page 43
तो आपन सर्टिफिकेट गुडा अछि
it is my lord 43 page
page 43 I am there हमर कोडी लिखा है जे एज लिमिट कोडी
my lord 43 my lord let's you can have a glance this is a of 238 my lord
ना 2008
45 page 45
45
age my lord eligibility
just
left side age candidate shall not
एटा चेंज हिची परे
हां ता पर देखो
2008 टा पछे चेंज
8 पर पुनी कले 14 12 कले they have fixed 42 11 2011
आपण केबे पहिले
16
16 रे कोन
16 माइनस
आपण 2008 रे देखले मते 16 रे कोन
8 अछि 11 रे भी देइछि सर
आपण 16 रे कोन थिला
16 रे
which age limit was governing the field at that time
32 my lord they have given
32
my lord yes my lord see page my lord 66 my lord page 66
page 71
रोहन ना आपण फोटो बाहर कर दे हमर टिक प्रॉब्लम है 60 66 ना
page 71
हां ठीक है
page 71 my lord bottom 7
এটা অ্যাডভার্টাইজমেন্ট
my lord
এটা অ্যাডভার্টাইজমেন্ট
এটা guideline
গাইডলাইন
shall not be below 18 years of age above 32 years
तो फिर आपण 2000 के भी बेला
এটা 16
so you are governed by this
yes
then how you can claim 48 to 42 sir
my
तेबे 2008 रे थिला सेतेबे गवर्नमेंट चेंज करछि जेतेबे आपण अप्लाई करले जो रूल थिला सेटा लागबो हेबो आपण केबे केबे नाही से 2008 रूल मो पे अप्लाई करले
they have arbitrarily fixed the
गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी डिसीजन वाइज
policy decision
that you can't question sir
my lord
आपण को शूट कला दी बोले आपण can't question the government policy decision government thought no 42 तो काई लोक अननेसेसरी लाइफ बर्बाद करिवे लोक चाकरी दिस बोले किछि करिवेनी 42 तक बसितबे आउ हम स्टेट गुटे छाड़ देले 42 45 वर्ष तक लोक बसिकरी किछि करनरी पेरेंट्स पर बोझ हेतिबे किछि करबिनी आ खाली हम प्रिपेयर करछु पढुछु प्रिपेयर करछु पढुछु से चलथिबो
No, right from
I right
2000.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କମେଇଦେଲା 32 କରିଦେଲା ଖତମ ଏତେ
No,
କଥା ପଡିଲା
32. The
we can't question the
publication
government
should be reasonable, my lord.
ଲାଇଫ ସାରା ଖାଲି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଥିବେ ଆଉ ପଢୁଥିବେ ନା କଣ
No, number of decision, your lordship.
ନା ମ ଡିସିସନ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ମ ଡିସିସନ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ଲାଗୁ ହେବନି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପଲିସି you can't question
Government policy, my lord. If government policy is
yes
arbitrary
government policy
and
This is
we
not
must
arbitrary.
my lord.
How can you call it arbitrary
And because of this, my lord, no, my lord, number of trained candidates.
maybe sir 10 candidate government ଠିକା ନେଇଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଚାକିରି ଦେବି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ନେଲେ ପାଇଲେ ନ ପାଇଲେ ନାଇଁ ଯେତେ ଯେତେ BA MA ପଢି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଚାକିରି ଦେବି କଣ କହୁଛି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ କଲେଜ ଯେତେ ଖୋଲିଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଚାକିରି ଦେଇପାରିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ नो जे पाइला जार लक थिला पाइला जे मेहनत कला
नहीं, से तो गला ये तो
फिर आओ ସେଥିରେ ଆଉ ଲॉजिक नाही
इलेक्ट होउचंती मेरिट रे
सर
they can give in
କିଛି ଲॉजिक ନାହିଁ this is a totally illogical argument
what happened, my lord.
let's
Up to my lord
concentrate
2014, up to 2014, my lord.
when we are talking about 2016 we should see the rule that is governing the field
Well-
and that rule is 32 so you can't help
32, my lord, because my lord, in the year 2014, my lord, they have fixed age, my lord, upper age limit 38.
କେବେ
2014, my lord.
14
14.
ଆପଣ ତ ଆପଣ ପରେ 2016 କଥା
16 କଥା
ଆଉ ତ ଆପଣ ତ ସେଠି କାଇଁ
नहीं 14, 16
ଆପଣ
କଥା
14 କାଇଁ ଯିବେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଅଲ୍ ଆପଣ 14 ଆପଣ 16
केमिति से करूचंती एज गुडा केमिति भ्यारी करूची
अरे सर ताको पॉलिसी डिसीजन सर व्हाई कैन यू क्वेश्चन देम देयर एम्प्लॉयर मु अच्छा मु घरे गोटे चाकर लक्ष्य रखिबी काम କରିବା भी गोटे मोर कि मु गोटे बिजनेस करछि 10 पिला रखिबी कोन तार क्वालिफिकेशन हबो केती एज रहइबो दैट इज आई एम टू डिसाइड आई एम द बेस्ट पर्सन एंड नोबडी कैन क्वेश्चन माय डिसीजन हाउ कैन यू से दैट नहीं इज आर्बिट्ररी हां जदी आपण कहिबे सपोज 2016 रे एई गोटे एटा गवर्निंग द फील्ड किछि लोग 38 रे किछि लोग 42 रे पर दैट्स illogical and discriminatory but the 2026 this is the 16 this is the policy
year to year they have
you can sir you can't
they have
question
changed, my
of course then the employer they can do that
and this year also for your lordship,
yes they can still do
this year they have enhanced it to 38.
sir you
This year.
cannot claim you cannot claim like you ଆପଣ କହି ପାରିବେନି ଯେ ନାହିଁ ମତେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ ଯାହା ରୁଲ ଅଛି ସେଇ ସହି ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଇଁ 14 ରେ ଏମିତି ଥିଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ମାର୍କେଟ କା ଗଲା ବେଳେ ଆଜି ବାଇଗଣ 60 ଟଙ୍କା ଥିବ କାଲି 40 ବି ହେବ ପରଦିନ କେ 70 ବି ହେବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ମାର୍କେଟ ଯାହା ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ଥିବ ସେଠି ବି ଏବେ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଏମିତି ବି ହୁଏ ଯେ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ 40 ବିକୁଥିବା ଗୋଟେ 60 ବି ଏତେ ତକ ବି ଯାଉଛି ଭେରି କରୁଛି ଏଇଟା ତ
here is a different thing, my lord, is involved for life and
One thing, that's all. Come to page 17, paragraph 13. Everything will be clear. Page 17, para 13.
17 1 sir.
the government is the employer decision you can't question that
I'm placing para
employee
13.
decision, my lord, that should be genuine, my lord, and that should not be arbitrary.
you can't
They have
question.
fixed,
if you
my
want
lord.
me to write a judgment I'll write it
Because of
They have already decided.
No, no,
Already decided.
ଆଉ କେତେ କଣ
14, my
ରହିଲା
lord.
ଆଉ ଫିର କଣ ରହିଲା
14, my lord.
Paragraph 13.
सर 14 କୁ କାହିଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆପଣ 14 କୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ।
ଆପଣ କୋଉଥିରେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର କେବଳ ଫୋକସ୍
नहीं, से ऐसे 38 जो करते 14 रे, that some of the the aspirant may approve this honorable court. This honorable court
This
also
honorable-
picked 42.
ହଁ 42
Already
ରହିଲା
dismissed.
this honorable court and
Already,
government
already
policy
dismissed. Yours is page 17.
This honorable court
this honorable court
42
ମାନେ
my
କେତେ
lord.
କଣ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ କଣ
42 ଆସିଲେ.
ମୁଁ ସେମିତି କରେନି ସେ ଯୋଉ honorable court କରୁଛୁ
And dismissed ହେଇଯାଇଛି already.
Said they have having educational qualification, training
ସାର୍
qualification,
ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ
OTT.
କହିଲେ ଯେତେ ଲୋକ ଏଜୁକେସନାଲ କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ ଧରିକି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାକିରି ଦେଇ ପାରିବ କି नो ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏଜ ଲିମିଟ ଭିତରେ ରହିବେ କମ୍ପିଟିସନ ଫେସ୍ କରିବେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଭଲ କରିବେ ପାଇବେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ନ କଲେ ଫସିବେ ପଡେ ରହିବେ ଯଦି ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ଶିଶୁ ମନ୍ଦିର ଜଏନ୍ କରିବେ ଆଉ କେତେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଛି ଜଏନ୍ କରିବେ
Saying there is no rule may like the civil
no
service
rule
operation.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସିଭିଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ଶିକ୍ଷା ସହାୟତା ସ୍କିମ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଅଲ୍
हाँ,
ଆଉ ସିଭିଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କାଇଁ କମ୍ପେୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଶିକ୍ଷା ସହାୟକ ଆଉ ସିଭିଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ସମାନ କରିବେ
they have
ଭଲ।
uniform principle,
କିଛି ୟୁନିଫର୍ମ
but uniform without
ସ୍କିମ୍ ରେ
fixing
ଯେମିତି
that.
ଆଇଲା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବନେଇଲା schematic job
This honorable court also in the writ appeal, my lord, specifically directed if vacancies are available, then backlog
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
materials
ଏମିତି
is
ଦେଇ
there.
ହବନି କେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରୁପ ଟେ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲା ସବୁ all time to come ସମସ୍ତେ
Number of
ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି।
unemployed
Okay,
persons are
okay,
there.
order is up. Next.
My lord, I will satisfy lordship.
We can't satisfy.
I
you.
don't know, the
No,
number of
I have
decisions.
closed mind.
My lord, no, what happened, my lord? If the government decision is arbitrary and whimsical, my lord, this Hon'Ble court
That it is
also-
not arbitrary. Let me tell you very frankly, it is neither arbitrary nor whimsical.
Yes,
It is not at all whimsical.
well, I'll
This
satisfy.
is a policy decision of the
Policy
government,
decision.
and court should not interfere with the
Yes,
policy
yes, your
decision.
lordship.
This is also clear cut.
Yes, yes, my lord. But in that aspect, my lord, this Hon'Ble court and also apex court, my lord, as to number of judgments, my lord.
କୋଉ
If
judgment
the
ଦେଖେଇଲେ ମତେ
policy
apex
decision-
କଣ କୋଉ judgment ଦେଖେଇଲେ କହିଲେ
I will satisfy, I am not,
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
I have not.
ନାଇଁ
my lord.
ଆଜି ଆଣିବେ ଯୋଉଦିନ ଆଣିବେ ସେଦିନ ସାରିବେ।
Your lordship fix a date, my lord, I will satisfy lordship. Number of persons they have been
ଆଜ୍ଞା
deprived
ତମର
of.
ପର୍ସନ ବୋଲି କଣ ମାନେ ଅଛି ସେମିତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି
ସେମାନେ they have educational qualification, training qualification,
ଆଚ୍ଛା ମତେ
OPT.
କେତେ
They have
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ
requisite qualification, my
ମୁଁ
lord.
ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଯେ ଦେଶରେ ଏତେ ଲୋକ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଖାଲି ତାମିଲନାଡୁ ବର୍ଷକ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ବାହାର କରେ ଖାଲି ତାମିଲନାଡୁ ଆଉ ବାକି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ମାନଙ୍କ କଣ ଅଛି ଯଦି ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଇଏ କରିବା ବର୍ଷକୁ ପାଖାପାଖି 10-15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ବାହାରୁଥିବେ ସବୁ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ପାଇଁ ଚାକିରି ଅଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଆମ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଯୋଉ ଏଥିରେ ଯୋଉ ଏସଓ ଗୁଡା ଜଏନ କରି ଖାଲି ଏନଆଇଟି ରାଉରକେଲାର 3ଟା କି 4ଟା ପିଲା ଏସଓ ଜଏନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଏନଆଇଟି ରାଉରକେଲାର ଆଇଆଇଟି ଖଡଗପୁର ପିଲାଟେ ଜଏନ କରିଛି ଏସଓ ରେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ତମର ଯଦି ଏତେ ଭଲ ଭଲ ଜାଗାରେ ପିଲା ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବଢିଆ ବଢିଆ ଜାଗାରେ କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ଏମଏନସି ଥାନ୍ତି ସେଠି କାହିଁ ଆଇଲେ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଫର ଦ୍ୟାଟ
No, unemployment is increasing.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ କାଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ
No,
କମ୍ପିଟିସନ ହବ ଆପଣ କମ୍ପିଟିସନ ଫେସ୍ କରିବେ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଆର କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏଡ ଅଦରୱାଇଜ
but that is my lord.
ଓକେ ଆପଣ ମତେ କେସ୍ ଲ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
My lord, your lordship fix my lord to some other day, my lord. I will satisfy lordship, my lord. But
you also know very well your client must be watching, that's why you are pestering hard.
your lordship, my lord.
Yeah.
They
So
are
that
deprived of
okay,
livelihood, my lord.
17 okay 17
17, my lord. 18, my lord.
okay 18
No, 19.
19
I am not available, my lord.
କେବେ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
November,
ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଲଗେଇଦେବି
November, first week November.
ଓକେ ନଭେମ୍ବର ଲଗେଇଦିଅ 9th ନଭେମ୍ବର ଠିକ ଅଛି 9th November.
My problem.
Item 7.
On that day you
6.
may be there, I may not be there also. Never know. Next.
Item number 6.
All the batch of cases.
Same.
My lord, this matter relates to selection of Anganwadi worker, my lord.
ଆପଣ କଣ ହେଲା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏପଟେ ଆଉ ଏଡେ ସାଡେ କଣ
My lord, my lord.
ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଆପଣ
Kindly have a
ଆପଣ
class to annex of five.
ସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ or unselected
Advertise-
or disqualified candidate
No, no.
ଆପଣ
This-
ଅନସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ କି
Yes, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଅନସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ କାହାର ମାର୍କ ଅଧିକ
My lord,
ମାର୍କ କାହାର ଅଧିକ ଥିଲା
no, I am coming to fact. my lord.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ମୋ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ କହିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ 2 ମିନିଟ୍ ସରିଯିବ
Donor selection
ମୋ
ହେଇଥିଲା।
କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ତାର ଆନ୍ସର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପଣ ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆନ୍ସର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ
No, no,
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ,
ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଅନସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଓକେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
Unsuccessful no. My application has not been accepted.
ହଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଠିକ ଅଛି ହେଲା ଅନସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ସେଇ କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରୀ ଧରିଲି ବୁଝିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ହେଲାନି
ଯେ ମୋର ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲାନି ବୋଲି ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
ଦେଇନଥିଲେ
ଦେଇନଥିଲୁ କିନ୍ତୁ that has been already decided by this court and also
କଣ
appellate
ଦେଇନଥିଲେ ବି
authority.
ହେଇଯିବ ବୋଲି ଡିସାଇଡ କଲା କୋର୍ଟ
No, no,
ହଁ।
ମୋର application
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଆଗ କଥା ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟ କଣ ଡିସାଇଡ କଲା କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ମା-
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କମ ଟୁ ଦ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ
ମୁଁ within time
Fact-
application ପକେଇଲି
ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଡେଟ୍ ଭିତରେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
ପକେଇଲି।
ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ପକେଇଲି
କାହିଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
my lord appellate କରିଥିଲି this order my lord.
ଭେରି ଦ୍ୟାଟ
That is under annex 2 my lord.
2 ଓକେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପଢନ୍ତୁ
It has been decided at page
এটা তো without going into the
19,
details,
19
order
minor.
মানে কিছু আছে
the appellate court are directed to
go there file representation they will decide এটা order
representation no my lord.
আর কোন এটা
4 orders are here my lord.
ଆପଣ ମତେ ସେ ଇଏ ତଳ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏଡିଏମ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଖ
This is the order under
ଏଡିଏମ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ ଅର୍ଡର କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ ଏ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଅର୍ଡର
no my lord, this is the ADM's order my lord.
फिर पेज कितने पेज को ना
File नहीं
Yes, my lord.
एनेक्सर को ना
Annex
16.
2, my lord, page 16 to
से तो पचार से आपको ଆପଣ ମତେ
20.
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି
16 to 20, my lord.
16 to 20
My lord.
ହଁ କଣ ଅଛି ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟା ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
I am placing the operative part, my lord. Page
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
19.
ଆପଣ ସବମିଟ କରିଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଛି
Direction ଦେଲେ appellate court ଯେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର application କୁ accept କରିକିରି କର ବୋଲି fresh advertisement. This is the direction. It has been challenged by the appointee who has been disengaged after getting appointment before this honorable court.
ତ
And
ପ୍ରେସ
this-
ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇନି
ହଁ ହେଇଛି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଫେର
I am coming to that part. my lord. Page annex 27.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଟିକେ ମତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତ ସବୁ ବୁଝିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବୁଝିବିନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ଫେର ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାନସେଲ ହେଇଗଲା
my lord.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ବାହାରିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିକି ଆପଣ
ସେଇଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହଉନାହିଁ till yet.
ହଁ
ସେଇଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହଉନାହିଁ ସେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଟା
ହେଇନି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ
ନା
ତ ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲେ
ମୁଁ ଆସିଛି for necessary direction of this honorable court to complete the selection process which is still pending.
pending ଅଛି
My lord.
କହିବୁ
Annex 5 page 27 and
Take a section, Mr.
Madam, here, the read petition was filed, that was dismissed, then read appeal was filed.
that has been disposed of.
केबे ହେଇଛି?
26 में this is the order.
But mother read petition ଟା କୋଉଠି order ଟା ଦେଖିଲେ
Petition ଟା ଅଛି
ହଁ facts ଠିକ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବସିକି
page
କେସ୍
page
କରିବାକୁ
21.
କମ ସେ କମ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ କାଗଜରେ ଲେଖିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତି note ଟେ ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ନାଇଁ ଏଠି ଆସିକି
Serially କହିଦେବି.
ନାଇଁ
my-
serially
your
କହିବୁ,
honor-
ସେମିତି
your
କହିବାକୁ
lordship
ଗପ
allow me,
ଦରକାର।
I will submit
ମୁଁ ଯାହା
everything.
facts ପଚାରେ ସେତିକି କହିବି
This
ଅନ୍ୟ
is the order of read appeal that has been dismissed.
read appeal ଟା ଧରିଦେଲେ read order ଟା କୋଉଠି
Due to pendency of this read appeal that has not been completed.
Interim order was there.
read ଟା କୋଉଠି
Read
That is
read
wrongly
ଅଛି,
I have annexed, my lord, sorry.
Annexed or court
This
page
order
21.
should be annexed, but in place of this order, previous order has been annexed.
Stay order.
The read appeal is dismissed for non-prosecution this interim order pass earlier stand
My lord.
ଏ ମାନେ କଣ ଏଇଟା ତ କିଛି ମେରିଟ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ହେଇନି ନା
ଏଇଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉ annexure 5 ଆଉ 6 କି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରୁନଥିଲେ.
ଏୟାର ଅର୍ଡର ମାନେ କଣ ଏଇଟା ତ
Already dismissed and
ଆଉ ଇଏ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା
ଅଛି annexure 4, page 21.
my lord.
Operating portion ହେଲା page 26. Page 26.
your name is what is the name of your client
Rabi Mani Sethi.
Ravindra
Rabi Mani Sethi.
Ravi Manish Sethi
এটা মমতা
copy
রানী
number 3
In that read, I was operative part number 5, my lord.
ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ପଢେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ତହସିଲଦାର ମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଥିବ ନା ଏସଓପି ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲା ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଦେବା କଥା
15.
ଆପଣ ଏସଓପି ଗୋଟେ ଥାଏ ନା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାର୍ଟର ସିଟିଜେନ ଚାର୍ଟର କଣ ଗୋଟେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ପରା ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା miscellaneous certificate rules ଆସୁଛି ଏଟା
ହଁ କେତେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଦେବା କଥା
15 days.
15 days 15 days ଭିତରେ ନଦେଲେ କଣ ଫାଇନ ର ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଅଛି ଫାଇନ ପର ଡେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଥିବ ନା
check କରିଦେବେ
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ଗୁଡା କାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଇନଭୋକ କି କରୁନା ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମତେ ଦେଲେନି
Sir, ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହେଲା I am
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ just I am just trying to fathom
My lord,
what is
my
the
lord.
problem
penal provision penal provision ଅଛି public service utility law 50 act ଅଛି
Violated କଣ?
Fresh advertisement ତ ଅଛି, that is in continuing. That has not been completed actually.
କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା fresh advertisement?
Scrutiny list ଇଏ publish ହେଇଛି on
ଯୋଉଟା
list
ଅଛି
6
ସେଇଟା complete କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗଲା ପରେ। In accordance with whatever rule prevalent at that time. ଖତମ। ଆଉ କାମ-
as per the advertisement and scrutiny list already
the advertisement dated କହନ୍ତୁ advertisement dated
12/3/2018
12/3/2018
under Annex 5
advertisement number
manner.
କେତେ advertisement number?
Advertisement number is not here. Only date is here,
Okay,
and
12/12/3
12/3/2018.
18
And scrutiny list
the
published
authority
on
to proceed with the selection process as per the rule prevalent then.
Scrutiny list is there after verification of the
ଆଜ୍ଞା
form.
ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିବ ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ସେ ଭିତରୁ ଯିବି ମୁଁ just let them complete
For your lordship, I have placed this thing, my lords.
What?
Therefore, I am asking. The scrutiny list has already been published.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ସେ ଯିବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେମାନେ let them continue why should I
Mal-
go through all this scrutiny list and
My
all
lord,
this
my
thing? ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି unnecessary କହିବା ଅଛି ସବୁ କହିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଦରକାର ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
unnecessary କାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
and the authority should complete the selection process within a period of 2 months from today ହେଲା dispose of it.
Item 7.
Next
Item 7.
7 Yenandi non-appeals for the petitioner list the matter on 8th November. Next
Item 8.
8
May I please, your lordship. My lord, here the petitioner has availed a loan from opposite party number 2 HDFC Bank for takeover of a loan standing in the opposite party number 3 Bank of Baroda, my lord.
sorry
Though it was the loan sanctioned, takeover loan was sanctioned, but that has never been actually paid either to the bank or to the petitioner.
I
That-
don't get can you repeat?
My lord, मोर बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा रे गोटा लोन स्टैंडिंग थिला मु ताको टेक ओवर पई एचडीएफसी के अप्लाई कली एचडीएफसी राजी
Oh,
हला
okay, take cover.
राजी हला सैंक्शन भी कला 26/10 रे किंतु 3-5-11 जाके मते किबा मो बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा को दिया हला नै टंकाटा सेति पई मु सब्सिक्वेंटली मु ताको जेहेतु आपण देले ने डिले होउची मु बहुत बैंक को इंटरेस्ट देई परिबिनी इट इज ए ह्यूज अमाउंट तण मोर कैंसिल टा करा जाऊ मोर कहवा कथा फॉल्ट टा तांका पाखरे जेहेतु सेमाने देलेनी किंतु सेमाने मते कैंसिल करिया पई तांका फेल टेक ओवर चार्जेस ता एट द रेट ऑफ 1% चार्ज करजोंत दैट्स
That केवे करो
ऑर्डर नहीं दे हैव इशूड ए एडवोकेट
when did you apply for that takeover? When did you apply for the takeover?
that I have annexed a sanction letter apply
कौन तो takeover पे केवे apply करले को year रे केते date रे apply करथिबे ना बिना एकलर तो होई जाय takeover is like porting of जदी telephone number portability होजी सेम जगह मो reliance रू जियो को जीवी जियो रू BSNL को जीवी BSNL रू आ गाळ को जीवी सेमते लोन है ए बैंक रू मु से बैंक को नेबी या तो कथा तो सेना केबे करथिली
that I have not annexed, my lord.
that is important thing sir that is very important केबे करथिली से ना केते पुराना है केसे जानिबे के ट्रांजैक्शन टा के लेखिथिबे तो कोटी कोटी कहंतु
नहीं लेखी नहीं आगे
लेखि ना आपण हटा इन्फॉर्मेशन देन unless I know how that means what is the how many years old matter how many months or year old matter must know
that has sanctioned only the 26/10/2022, my lord. That has been
22
sanctioned.
sanction
Sanctioned.
तापर पर कले
हाँ sanctioned हला 26/10 किंतु टंकाटा केबे डिसबर्स कलेनी 5-11 पर्यंत
बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा करने
बैंक ऑफ एचडीएफसी बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा टा मोर प्रीवियस बैंकर
ताठो आपण एचडीएफसी
Earlier until
केते टका 6,75,000
6 crore 75 lakhs थिला ये दिला 8 crore
oh 6 crore 75
आगे 8 crore 75
why
lakhs
did you want to
My lord, that is a company to enhance the limit he has approached the HDFC.
ओ अजय बैंक में कम दूसरा है मैं दला नहीं है मैं बैंक में तो अभी बहुत बड़ा टाइम बेकार कर दो
And again,
बैंक में नाउ इट हैज इंक्रीज
ना increase कलानी किंतु ये जेहेतु देलेनी मोर तो कंपनी चली पारलानी तेणु बाध्य होइकरी एपट दी पटर बैंक रे आज्ञा शुद्ध देई परिबि नै एट ए टाइम
तो ये द्विपट बैंक से तो कहीं देबे
आज्ञा ये कहूँ मु ऑलरेडी माने पे ऑर्डर देई देली 3/11 3/11
दे देला पर तापर आउ डिसीजन को आइला इंटरेस्ट इन
एटा आज्ञा डिसबर्स
who is appearing for the Bank of Baroda and HDFC? Anybody? Bank of Baroda, Mr. Niyamati appears. Rajit Rai.
Rajit Rai.
Give them your copy. Rajit Rai for HDFC and Kali लगा दो. We'll see that. Kali पर्दन लगा दो. दे दें तो आज copy दे दें.
आज दे देबे नेक्स्ट वीक यस
कहीं सर वो जल्दी करे चाहे अपन मन में इच्छा नहीं
I will not be available on Friday, my lord.
सर आपनकर प्रॉब्लम फाइनेंस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे पे मैं चेष्टा करूँ आपण निजे चेष्टा करूँ तो चलो जाओ 6 नवंबर
No, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
आपण नहीं बोले मैं आउ
Sorry, my lord. That-
आपण निजे को माने आपण को जल्दी इजी हे बोले मैं जल्दी शॉर्ट डेट दूची आपण निजे पढौछन दूर अब आज कॉपी दियंतु परदिन लगे दूची आज कॉपी दियंतु रजित रा फाइंड आउट नंबर कोड थिबो ये जे का कॉपी थिबो अब मिस्टर नियामती फॉर बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा दियन को दियंतु कॉपी
आज्ञा
हला
oblige, my lord.
like land council petitioner to hand over a copy of the this petition some the copy of the petition to Mr. Niyamati who usually appears for the Bank of Baroda and Mr. Rajit Rai who usually appears for the HDFC Bank. List the matter on Thursday 12 days.
Oblige.
नहीं सर भूल गए मैं तो आज ही फ्राइडे सर आपण काही येते हेजिटेंट मग बुझ
Your admission ପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବା କଥା ସେଥିପାଇଁ
कार एडमिशन में
झियो
कोडी जिवे
OUT भुवनेश्वर
ओईटी भुवनेश्वर पे एते केबे अछि एडमिशन
6 तारिख अछि स्पॉट पे
तो 5 6 तारिख अछि ना
आज्ञा
तो गोटे काम कर 9 रे आस 9 ठीक
Oblige.
ओके 9 तो कहवा कथा ना आपण कहू नांती ओके नेक्स्ट
Item 9.
Lord, petitioner prays for a direction to consider her case for promotion. Petitioner has been appointed since 93 and
अपॉइंटेड
as Anganwadi worker. As for
93 रे
yes, ma'am.
तो आपण को प्रमोशन दरकार
Yes. Meaning otherwise she will retire.
लास्ट बैच केबे पाइथिले प्रमोशन
2010.
2010 वाला पाइलेनी
No, 2010 रे promotion committee was there.
नहीं लास्ट 93 वाला 92 वाला पाइछथि
Yes.
93 वाला पाइछथि के
No.
तो फिर आपण जस्ट बिकॉज़ आपण रिटायर करि जे बोले आपण प्रमोशन देबा बाध्य गवर्नमेंट
Let them consider.
अच्छा केमति करबे
Account
सर
ରହିଛି
आपण 92 जाय जायछि
65 जाय ରହିବ
92 जाय जायछि नेक्स्ट पडिबो आपण पाई
14 ବର୍ଷ ଅଛି।
आपण थिबे जदि पाइबे आ रिटायर करले कोन करबे आपण 92 जाय जायछि मु जानि सो फार 92 जाय जेते थिले तांको प्रमोशन हेछि 93 जाय
There is a problem. Here in the year 2008, there was a number of vacancies of supervisor. So government has decided to give contractual appointment to graduate, those who are graduate having 5 years of experience. Now they filed some cases, now stay order has been passed by this honorable number.
गवर्नमेंट तो बुझी पारेनी एबे को तो गोटे कैडर रे अछंती माने एनको तो प्रमोशन दे देबो काई
सेगुड़ा सब stay
उल्टा पुछा तो ऑफिसर के बुद्धि ने नॉन सब माने फर्टाइल इमेजिनेशन रो आसे सब कोर्ट केस करी वर्ष भर पड़ी रही
stay order stay सब रही
कोर्ट स्टे अछि हम कोर्ट रे
नहीं
नंबर देंतु
मु बाहर कर
अरे गोटे स्ट्रोक रे खत्म कर तू छाड़ धर के बसली स्टे
एडजुकेट बदल हे जिवो
पड़ी रहबनी नंबर दे
मु नंबर टाइम दे
आज दे नेसेसरी मु बुझी पारनी आपण सी योर रूल prescribes that there will be promotion from this
yes
right
matriculate
फिर काहे कि आपण जो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल से करी आपण पर कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल पर गवर्नमेंट कसम खाई छी कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल अपन करी
आउ नहीं सॉरी
अब फिर कौन गवर्नमेंट कसम खाइला पर फिर कसम तोड़ू छी केमती so you can't do like this
मुझे नंबर टा दे दो आ
Number टा
गुड
दे
केस
let it come together sir
आज दे दो सेकंड हाफ
let it come together we'll see list the matter on 17 ला नंबर दे दे
आगे मु दे दो
we'll finish it next
Item 10.
10.
May I please, Your Lordship. The petitioner, after facing due process of selection, was engaged as Shiksha Sahay way back in the year 2004. She was engaged on 14 to 2004. She has put in more than 19 years of service. Till today, her service has not been regularized on the ground that her case is hit by Hrusikesh Bindhani. Earlier, she had approached the tribunal, and after abolition of the
Bindhani ra godo bhangi
and as a matter of fact,
problem create korchi.
as a matter of fact, her case is not hit by the case of Hrusikesh Bindhani because she was engaged within the advertised vacancy. For Tirtol Education District, 200 posts were advertised.
नहीं नहीं से ऋषिकेश बिंदानी कांटेक्ट मत
Hrusikesh Bindhani ra background hoji. One advertisement was made for the post of Shiksha Sahay. Subsequently, my lord, from that list, some additional posts were filled up. So therefore, this honorable court
means
held-
suppose 100 there are 150
Yes.
years filter.
Yes,
vacancy.
ticketing, huh?
That 150 is not.
Yes. So those who have been engaged within the advertised vacancies, their appointments or their engagements are valid. Those who are engaged beyond the
Outside,
advertised
ah.
vacancies, that is the crux.
So here in your case that is not no such case.
Yes, that
That
is
what,
my,
what is your case in your case?
well, my case is within the 200 advertised vacancies meant for Tirtol Education District,
Okay.
the petitioner was engaged.
There is no there was nothing extra.
Nothing extra,
Okay.
nothing extra.
Okay.
But still then they are not regularizing and your lordship
So
knows
here
the
you
scheme.
don't have that Bindhani then.
First time.
Bindhani can't. Bindhani you know. Here
Bindhani-
can't cut. Here this
6 ବର୍ଷ
person.
ପରେ ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ ହେବା କଥା 19 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ ଯାଇଥିଲା ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ
Let me obtain instruction whether he is beyond that vacancy or.
Yes, yes,
that-
that
Take
is the only
instruction,
point.
yes. You take it. Let it transfer the state to take instruction on the issue of the sorry on H2 whether the petitioner was within the advertised vacancies
In respect of Tirtol Education.
in respect of Tirtol Education District or was outside the vacancy position.
Yes.
Yes. Take the instruction.
Again.
List the matter on 18.
I have filed on IA.
I
No
can't.
problem. ऐसे काले disengage कर दो
ना,
no
मैं-
coercive action.
ଆପଣ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ
नहीं no coercive action your lordship may protect.
କାହିଁ
In other-
disengage
in
କରିବେ?
other cases your lordship has protected.
In the meantime, the petitioner shall not be disengaged till the next date. Okay.
Other two
The
matters
petitioner
are
shall not be
same.
disengaged in the meantime. Petitioner shall not be dismissed till the next date. Okay. Next.
Other two matters are same.
Same.
The connected.
Other two matters similar. Next.
Item 11.
11.
May please. And the petition has been filed by the insurance company challenging the order passed by the Honorable Human Rights Commission, my lord.
Human Rights Commission को पड़ गए कौन पाई?
Well, the direction was given to the insurance company to pay 5 lakhs.
Human Rights Commission.
My lord.
काई Human Rights Commission भी आज भी दूसरी कुछ कौन पाई?
Again,
कौन पाई?
the insurance company reputed the
सर कौन issue तो ही थी ना
issue,
कौन पाई?
yes, my lord. The opposite party number 1. Wife of the
आज्ञा issue टा कौन तो कौन ही थी? ये
Yes,
टेल ना हाँ.
wife of the opposite party number 1 traveled to the Ratha Yatra Puri, my lord.
ओह
During
अच्छा
water
अच्छा
logging
क्षेत्रापुरी.
She fell down in the water. my
Fell
lord.
down and the heart choke बोले ऐसे.
No, my lord.
नहीं.
No, she was shifted to the hospital. She died in the hospital.
So why did you
She claimed filed a
why did you deny it?
my lord, on the ground that they could not file the copy of the postmortem report, my lord. There is a terms and condition of the policies there, my lord. In case of a death, they have to produce the copy of the postmortem report. They could not produce, my lord. For which the insurance company reported the claim.
Naturally. So we have not given
for
the
the-
copy.
Madam,
Postmortem report we have given.
lack of education ଗରିବ ଲୋକ
अरे
ଜାଣିପାରନ୍ତି
sir, lack of education ତାଙ୍କ ତ policy terms and
କଣ
condition
ଜଣେ
ଦେଖିବାକୁ
ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ହିଁ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ନଲେଜ ରେ ଅଛି
ନହେଲେ ପଇସା ଲୋକ ଏମିତି lack of education ସେମାନେ ନେଇକି
ନାଇଁ
ପଳେଇବେ।
ନାଇଁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଏଇଟା ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ ଏଟା ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ତାଙ୍କର ମାନୁଛୁ ଫେୟାରଲି
But case ହେଇଛି
ଜେନ୍ୟୁଇନ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ
case ଟା ହେଇଛି।
ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଛି ଏଟା ପେପର ପୋଲିସ ସବୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ନଲେଜ ରେ ବି ଅଛି
The approach to
ଲୋକାଲ
the
ପୋଲିସ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ନଲେଜ
Human Rights Commission, Honorable Human Commission.
Human Commission କହିଛି ବୋଲେ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆଉ କଣ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ସେ
Our submission is only that.
ମୋର purpose ହେଲା ଲୋକ ପାଆନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ sir.
ଆଉ ବାସ୍ ସେ
Fellowship
Human
and-
Rights Commission को କି ଆଉ କିଏ Right Commission को
Only violation of the policy condition. You will
ତ
also.
ଆପଣ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି Human Rights Commission କୁ
Yes,
There is nothing wrong in that commission. Okay.
So only ground is, my lord, they could not produce the copy of the.
Or chhana
Postmortem.
technicality
Yes, your lordship, but dispose of.
where is that page?
My lord, the annexure 4, my lord. And annexure reproduction
Like,
language annexure
the
14.
The petitioner. What is your this petition? The deceased is related to?
Husband, ma'am.
You are the husband.
Yes, ma'am.
The petitioner is the husband of the deceased. Late
No,
Saraswati.
opposite party one is the husband of the.
See.
About sorry, I'm so sorry.
Insurance
Sorry,
company
sorry,
is the
sorry,
petitioner.
sorry. The opposite party number 1 is the husband of the deceased, late Saraswati Malik, who died on
Who died in the hospital on
22/7/2018.
who died on 20.
2/7/2018.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଡ୍ରାଫଟିଂ ଟିକେ ଭଲରେ ଶିଖନ୍ତୁ ବୁଝିଲେ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଡ୍ରାଫଟିଂ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ ପାସ କରି ନେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ୟାରାଗ୍ରାଫ କଣଟା ଲେଖିଲେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ
ସାର୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ
କିଏ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
I am for the petitioner.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯେ ବି ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ କେ ନ ଲାଗି ଦି ପିଟିସନର କମି ପବ୍ଲିକ ସେକ୍ଟର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ଲେଖି ପକେଇଲେ ଯୋଉଟା ଦରକାର ସେଟା ନ ଲେଖିକିରି ତମେ ସିଧା ତ କହିବି ଅମକା ହେଲା ସେ ସିଧା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଏତେ ଗପ କାହିଁକି ଏଭରିବଡି ନୋଜ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସେକ୍ଟର କମ୍ପାନୀ କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାର ଇତିହାସ ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର କହିଲେନି ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟରେ କେବେ ସେ ଆକ୍ଟ ପାସ୍ ହେଲା ହଁ ଏଟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତ
Paragraph 5.
ହଁ ଅଣ୍ଡର 1938 ଆକ୍ଟ ସିଧା ତ ଆସିବେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ନ ଲେଖି ବାକି ସବୁ ଗପ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ପେଜ ପୁରା ଏମିତି ନଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
Page 5.
and the petitioner the petitioner wife died on 12/22/7/2018 at the time of car festival at Puri. The insurance company has repudiated the insurance claim of the petitioners, citing the reason that the
Violation of the policy condition.
citing the violation of policy, the condition on
Number
policy,
2.
especially
Policy
the
condition
non-submission of the
postmortem report.
postmortem report. Allah. Agreed by the state, which letter?
And under annexure 14. Annexure 3.
Annexure 3. Agreed by the letter, dated 27/12/2019, issued by the Oriental Insurance Company Limited. The petitioner approached the Human Rights Commission.
Under annexure 4. Order of the commission.
And the learned Human Rights Commission, Orissa Human Rights Commission, Bhubaneswar, has recommended to pay rupees how much?
5,000. 5 lakhs. And page 9, running page 25 of the bill.
29. Final order.
25.
What 25.
Rupees 5 lakhs we given to see Hon'Ble Malik to state.
Okay. Rupees 5 lakh. And the Human Rights Commission has directed the insurance company to pay rupees 5 lakh to Sri Hon'Ble Malik towards death claim of his late wife Saraswati Malik, and the said amount shall be paid within 1 month from the date of receipt with a copy of the order. However, the insurance company has not yet paid the amount. Have you paid?
No matter. Challenging
And challenges the order passed by the Human Rights Commission. Considering the non-availability of the postmortem report of the deceased, the insurance company has denied the claim. However, taking into a liberal view of the rustic condition of the present petitioner rustic and illiterate. Illiterate. The petitioner being rustic and illiterate. The petitioner being rustic and illiterate.
Opposite party one.
Oh, I'm so sorry. The opposite party no point. Being rustic and illiterate could not submit the said document, which cannot be a ground for denial of the genuine claim of the present petitioner. It is further submitted that all other documents as required by the company have been duly submitted also, except the said document. In such view of the matter, the order passed by the Human Rights Commission doesn't suffer from any infirmity. Accordingly, this court directs the petitioner to pay the whole amount of pay the rupees 5 lakh, pay rupees 5 lakh, bracketed rupees 5 lakh to the petitioner within
2 months.
within 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. Accordingly disposal. Next,
Item 12.
12.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the opposite party, my lord. As per your lordship direction, my lord, the present petition already deposited, my lord, the amount, my lord. And after deposited, my lord, the opposite party supplied the, my lord, NOC. But the petition counsel not appear, my lord, on 3 occasions, my lord, the matter may be disposed of, my lord.
They've given
ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଆମେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ
NOC ଟା
ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ ସେଥି ନେଇ ତ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
now it is over.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Land council, you are for the bank.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Land council for the bank. Bank, sorry.
HDB Financial Service Limited
The NBFC. The NBFC.
HDB
Again, NBFC এটা কহନ୍ତି bank થાય NBFC થાય এটা NBFC.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
The NBFC, namely the HDB Financial Services Company Limited, Jayadep Bihar, Unit 16, has already
issued
the NOC as sought for by the petitioner. କେବେ ଦେଲେ?
ଡେଟା ନେଇକି ଆମେ ସପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଦେଇଛୁ
Land council for the banks is the opposite party submits that the NOC has already been issued, hence no cause of action survives. Accordingly, the petition may be disposed of. Accordingly, disposed of. Next.
Item 13.
13. 13. Non-appears.
last time also nobody last time also nobody appeared 2/2023
On 2/9/2023 also non-appears. It seems that the petitioner is not interested in pursuing the matter. However, if any cause of action survives, the petitioner is directed to approach within 1 month for restoration of the file.
ପଇସା ପାଇଗଲ ମୁଁ ଗଲା ସେ କ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଟ ପଇସା
Next.
Item 14.
14.
For instruction.
in this case he has already received the money on 29th September 2023 22 ନରୁ yes
ଆପଣ ରିସିଭ୍ କଲେନି?
ଇଏ ଆଉ ଜାଣିବେ କୁଆଡେ ସେ
ଆପଣ ଫିସ୍ କେମିତି ମିଳିବ ସେ?
ଆଉ
ପଇସା ଗଲା ହାତକୁ ପଳେଇଲା। ଗଲା ଗୋଟେ ଫିସ୍।
22/9/23 ରେ
ଯେ ଆପଣ କଣ ଫରକ ପଡୁଛି? ଆପଣ ତ ଡେଲି ଏମିତି 4ଟା 5ଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଗୋଟେ ଗଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରସ୍ ସବସିଡି।
ପେମେଣ୍ଟ
ଗୋଟେ ଫିସ୍ ପଳେଇଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫିସ୍ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ। କେବେ ଦେଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ? ଲେଟର ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରିଦେବା ନା କଣ?
22/9/23
ଆଉ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
last portion payment
Item 14.
14 na sorry done se na lekho
Rukmani
Land Council for the
For-
state submits that
The husband principle.
the payment of ex gratia amount to the family of the deceased has already been
This was
disbursed by the court reporter.
dam portal attached.
Key portal,
Dam, DM, dam portal.
which is reflected in the dam
Yes.
portal. And a copy of the said dispersal, the proof of the dispersal has been submitted by the council of the state. Accordingly, the
Payment status, successful payment.
grievance of the petitioner is addressed. And the copy of it, I am keeping this, a copy of this proof of the payment. According to next. 16, is there 15? 15.
I am the owner of the vehicle. The owner is the accident, took place accident. 12 to
Owner of the vehicle. ଆମର IRD କୁ କଣ ପାଠିବ?
that is the IRG which is the insurance.
ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ନୂଆ କଥା କହିଲେ କି IRD କୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନି କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
That is the
କିଏ ସେ IRD?
that is the amendment to the
କିଏ IRD କିଏ?
amendment he got me.
IRD ଟା କିଏ କହନ୍ତୁ? Who is IRD?
The regulatory
regulator କୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନି ସବୁ
ନା ଏଟା ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆପଣ amendment କରି କଟି
କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
alerts
ହଇ
amendment already amended consolidated file
I number 1135 regulator କୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନି
ଆପଣ ସେ
as per the order this is not permissible
lordship
see
ଏଟା ବହୁତ ଥର ଆସିଲାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ହେଇପାରୁନି ଏଇଟା ଆସିଲାଣି
ହଁ ଏବେ ତର ଏମିତି କରିଦେଇଛ
ସେଥିରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ମୋର ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଇସାଟା ଗାଡି ସଜଡା ହେଇଛି 2021 ରୁ ମୋ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଇସାଟା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ମୋ ଭାଲିଡି ପଲିସି ଥିଲା ବେଳେ
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତମେ ପ୍ରାୟର ଟୁ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ you have to sell the vehicle no I am the actual owner
ସେଲିଂ ଟା କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା
ସେଲ ହେଇନି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି ମାମୁ ଭଣଜା ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଥିରେ ହାଇପୋଥିକେସନ ଅଛି ହାଇପୋଥିକେସନ ଅଛି ଲୋନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଇପାରିବନି ଓନରସିପ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇପାରିବନି now I am the owner till today the owner
ଆରଟିଓ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା କି ଓନରସିପ ଚେଞ୍ଜ
ସେ ହବନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ହାଇପୋଥିକେସନ ଅଛି ଲୋନ ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ କିଛି ହେଇପାରିବନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ କହିଲା ହେଇଥିଲା କଣ ମୁଁ ଦେଖି ଦେଇଦେବି ବୋଲି କି ଏତିକି ସେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ସେ କାଗଜ ଗୁଡାକ ତାକୁ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ସେ ସେଇଟାକି ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଯେ ତମେ ଯେ
ଅଛି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ
ଟୁ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍
ଯାଇନି ନୋଟିସ
ନା
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ବି ଦେଇଛି
କାହାକୁ
ଟୁ ନୋଟିସ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ନୋଟିସ
ଯିବନି
ନୋଟିସ ହେଲେ ଭଲ ହବ
ଭଲ ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ହିଁ ହୁଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ନୋଟିସ ପାଇଁ ନା ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ସେ ଟର୍ମ ଟା ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ରୁ ହଟେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରାଜୁଆଲି ଯେତେ ହଟିଯିବ ଏତେ ଭଲ there should be no representation good an application the present application ଆଜ୍ଞା application କାଇଁ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ତ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି application କଣ ପାଇଁ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ WP ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ନା WP
କେବେଠୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖା ହଉଛି
ନାଇଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବେ ନା ପୁରା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବ ସବୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବ ସବୁ ଲେଖା ଚାଲିଥିବ କେମିତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଟିକେ କହିଦଉଛି I don't want still ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବ ଭାବି କହିଦଉଛି the writ petition pertaining to the writ petitioner challenges the non-release of the insurance claim amount which was claimed by the petitioner on 31st March 2021 and the said amount is pertaining to 3,97,000.
Lordship, 3,97,000.
The said amount is 3 lakh amount is 3,97,449. He further submits that though the insurance policy was valid at the time of the accident, he has been denied the claim due to citing the reason that the petitioner had already sold the vehicle
Vehicle.
on the date of,
Which is annexed under Annex 5.
on the date of X. Learned counsel for the petitioner refutes the charges made by the insurance company, stating that the said vehicle was not at all transferred to anybody, as he is the bona fide owner of the vehicle. Okay, issue notice to insurance company, get the number.
OP number 2.
Number 2. Number 2. Okay. And also claim with you, no? Number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And
By registered court.
Huh?
By registered court. By
Mahindra Finance
Mahindra Finance ରେ ହେଉଛି ମୁଁ ଆଣିଛି ଲୋନ୍ ଗାଡ଼ିଟା
ଆଉ ପୁଣି
ତାଙ୍କର ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାନେଜର
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଯାଉ 3, 4, 5 ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଯାଉ ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଆରଟିଓ କୁ ବି ଯିବା କଥା ଆରଟିଓ ବି ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟି ନା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଆରଟିଓ ରେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ବିକିଛନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ଆରଟିଓ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା ପରେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହବ ନା ଏନି ଛାଡ଼ ଏତିକି ଥାଉ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଯାଉ ବାଇ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା
all the opposite party.
All the opposite parties. This is the matter on 8th November. 8th November.
Notice by
registered post.
By registered post on which date to file notice. By requisite 3 days with 3 lots. 3 working days from today. Let's be fixed up date.
8 November.
8 November.
Item 16.
Next.
May I please, your lords. In this case, petitioner is a state housing board.
16.
16. Okay, 16.
Yes. In this case, petitioner is a state housing board. It is challenge the
Chairman Lok Adalat.
Yes, my lord.
What is the order?
On the ground that the
ଆପଣ
opinion
କେତେ loan ନେଇଥିଲେ ମତେ ଟିକେ
the loan it is regarding the flat flat allotted to
flat
OP number 2.
ଆପଣ flat allotment ହେଇଥିଲେ ପଇସା deposit କରିଥିଲେ
ମୁଁ ହଉଛି housing board ପାଇଁ sir. OP number 2 ର
ଆପଣ housing board
sir. OP number 2 ଗୋଟେ application ଦେଇଥିଲା allotted ହେଇଥିଲା
allot ହେଲା କେତେ
during the period of
କେତେ ପଇସା ଦେଲା
କିଛି ଦେଲାନି
ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଇସା ଦେଇଥିବ ନା
ନା sir
ବିନା ପଇସାରେ allot କେତେ କରିଦେଲା
as per the clause as per the ଯେତେବେଳେ duration ଥିଲା 4ଟା installment ରେ within 1 year ଦବା ପାଇଁ after becoming defaulter he has given a letter to the housing board that I am not interested ଯଦି ମତେ interest free କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ I am ready to pay that is the letter say but
ये permanent लोक अदालत को कमाई गला
say that's why I have challenged the case because permanent लोक अदालत to return the deposit amount EMD जोड़े इन्वेस्ट मनी डिपॉजिट करिथरा 2 लाख
सही तो पचार आज्ञा EMD कथा
पचार so that 3 years रो जो डिफॉल्ट हला
केते टका डिपॉजिट
से 2,12,000 डिपॉजिट करिथरा फॉरफिटर नहीं से
फॉरफिटर क्लॉज अछि की
विड्रॉल कैंसिलेशन क्लॉज अछि से विड्रॉल पई कहला so that has been withdrawn after 3 years सेते बेलु तार अगेंस्ट ड्यूज
केते दिन भीतर विड्रॉ कले आपण
there is a clause I am just read out that part. If any person withdraw from the scheme before allotment, only the
allotment se withdraw kari
na
allotment pare kari
before OP withdraw from the scheme before allotment, only EMD will be refunded if the allotee applies for refund after allotment but before the date of
EMD will be forfeited.
No, my lord, I just read out after allotment but before the date of subsequent payment 1% of the advertised cost of the house flat will be deducted from his her EMD with the non-refundable processing fee.
So he says I have deposited the EMD, so please give
the amount.
Give me the EMD amount.
So as per the
so you are saying since you have violated the conditions,
yes,
you are not entitled.
that's why they after become defaulter after 3 years
he given a letter to the house.
ତାପରେ ସେ ପଳେଇଲା
3 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆମର dues
ଲୋକ ଦେଲା ଦେଲା କଣ କଲା?
ନା ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ 3 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆମର ଡ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଗଲା ତା ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ ରେ about 3 lakhs ଯେତେବେଳେ 3 lakhs ଆମେ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କଲୁ ସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଗଲା
Okay.
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଗଲା ଯେ ସେ ଆମେ ସେଠି ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ନେଲେ ମାନେ ଯେ ତାର EMD ରୁ ଓଭର କରିଗଲାନି ଡ୍ୟୁଜ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଡିଡକ୍ଟିଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ଯାହା ରିଟର୍ନ ଅଛି ଆମେ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିଦେବୁ ବଟ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଫେଲ୍ଡ ଦ ରିକନସିଲିଏସନ ବିଫୋର ଦ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ everything detailed local adalat have mentioned in the order but finally passed the order to return the amount. That's why
କେତେ amount?
say 2 lakhs to 12,000 ଫେରେଇ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଛି. That's why I filed the case mail.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଘର ତ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିବେ ନା?
ନା ସେ ଘରଟା ଏଜେମ୍ ଦିଆ ହେଇନି କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଦିଆ ବି ହେଇନି
କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ପାଇଁ
କେତେ କୋଉ ଇୟର ଏଟା?
এটা 2000 allotted in the year 2016 the order passed in the 27/4/2023 my lord.
So order passed against you.
Yes my lord.
Deposit. Let's issue notice to. Issue notice. Issue notice he did not.
Na ହେଇନି sir first
Issue notice to the opposite party.
2 my
2. Returnable on 8th October, November, 8th November. You file the request 3 working days from today. Okay. Number kete only this 1 and 2.
One.
No, 1 is not.
No, 2 is only for 2
Only 2.
my lord.
Oh, please to look at 8 November.
Obliged.
Okay. Next.
Item 17.
17.
Pass over.
Pass over. Oh, pass over 2 p.m. Next.
18.
May I please? On last occasion, at order dated 38/2003, my lords have directed the State Council to take instruction.
What is the issue?
The issue is the petitioner was Anganwadi. Petitioner in the selection process stood second position, and the OP number of the selected candidate was given appointment as.
So you are saying that by virtue of fake certificate?
Malad.
OP number 5?
5 should be disengaged, and since
So
I am the
she
second,
is continuing?
she is continuing. As per my instructions, she is continuing.
Before much before filing of this writ petition, he tendered her resignation that was accepted and direction was given and request was made to the ISC.
Then matter has become enforced.
Now, in concept of the state has submitted that the petitioner has.
The OP.
Sorry, the OP number, I'm sorry. OP number 5 has been disengaged.
Tendered her resignation.
Oh, sorry. Has tendered her resignation on
8/5/2023
8 May 2023.
and fresh advertisement also made.
And fresh advertisement has also been issued by the department. Hence, the cause of action set out in the writ petition doesn't survive anymore. Accordingly, disposed of as in progress. Next.
Item 19.
19.
Bank took time to file affidavit regarding the outstanding dues, which is against me. Just now he had served me copy. I have to obtain instruction in this case.
Learn concept of bank subs copy reply.
File copy.
Learn also the petitioner 1 week time.
One.
File the reply. List the matter on 18 as.
My
Next.
Item 20.
20. Ready, Kena?
Item
appeals.
20, yesterday we have all filed counter. Here also cause of action no more survive. And we have already disbursed the area salary as well as current salary in favor of the petitioner.
Any document?
And there is no disturbance.
Any document?
Counter materials.
What is the issue?
Here there are two villages. In between two villages, there was an Anganwadi center. And as because there was waterlogging in that area, this petitioner shipped the Anganwadi center to our own house. So there was dispute regarding two villagers. And in the in the meantime, villagers are availing the same.
No problem.
No.
So
And he is also getting her remuneration.
Land transfer to the state. Who is appearing for that? No. No. Land state submit that the grounds raised in the present petition doesn't survive anymore. Hence, as there has been the settlement of the problems arising out of the shifting of the Anganwadi center to the house of the present petitioner. Since now the villagers are, the villagers doesn't have any complaint and the Anganwadi is running smoothly. Hence, the issue raised in the petition doesn't survive. Okay, next.
Item 21.
Let me please your lordship. Actually, in fact, there was semi-marathon arguments on several spells. And in the year back 2017, my friend also made a marathon argument. And in the meantime, what happened? Let me just tell. In the meantime, what happened? The poor fellow, after languishing, died. He passed away. Yes, he died. So the only respondent. Now it is the responsibility of the petitioner to find out who are the legal heirs and to substitute them.
Petitioner to file application for substitution of legal heirs.
On the submission, Millard, he has made the submission that he has died.
Your father,
For the only opposite party.
Opposite party.
Actually,
Sole opposite
I have got.
party. The sole opposite party has passed away. Quebec.
Just yesterday, I got the news.
Passed away
probably.
recently. And hence the for the petitioner to
Ascertain.
I will file a appropriate petition for substitution.
To verify the death of the sole opposite party and accordingly file an application for substitution of the legal heir.
Your Lordship may fix it to some day because the execution case is proceeding. Your Lordship may extend the interim order.
8th November.
Interim order to continue.
Matter is continuing. In the meantime, the stay petition was also filed way back in the month of January. In the meantime, more than 6 months passed.
And now that it is being extended, it will
entire cases. Who is now to prosecute the case also?
If I don't take steps, it will automatically become infructuous. I will definitely take steps.
Yes.
Obliged, Millard.
Next.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue release the matter on 15 November.
Obliged.
Next.
22.
22.
May I please, Your Excellency? The last occasion, we were directed to file an affidavit to the effect that whether the similar instituted persons are continuing in the post or not. I am filing an affidavit where 46% of the similar nature are continuing. But I am not affected of that judgment where the government has stated the Rushikesh Mindani's case I have covered. That is not a fact, my lord, because my appointment is later. But showing Rushikesh Mindani's case, I have been terminated.
So your appointment was later.
Pardon, my
Your appointment was later than that.
My
that batch.
my lords,
right?
my lords, my lords. Still, I have been disengaged, showing that I have a batch of that batch where this appointment of this petitioners of 15,000 of the state was disqualified. I am not coming under that category. I will file a rejoinder to that effect, my lord. But these persons, those who are my lord, affected by that are still continuing. 46 in number. Only in Gajpati district. Other district.
So far as my instruction, my lord, those petitioners are continuing because of an entry murder passed in WPC number 31410 of 2022. And
this before this time.
my lord,
Lagal?
my lord, I'll give
W-
these two repetition has to be tagged up.
Give the number.
My lord, I do have the instruction. If your lordship will see that there is the number.
Number.
And the last paragraph, your lordship.
Yeah, I can-
The last paragraph, your lordship will see.
No, but what he's saying, you understood. He's
My lord, my lord,
though you have disengaged me
my lord.
because of the so-called judgment of the.
Hrishikesh Bindani.
But he said, I was not even appointed during that phase. He was appointed much later. That's what he said. So what is your answer to this? If he was appointed much later, then that Hrishikesh Bindani is not applicable to him.
I'll take instruction.
Narrating the entire facts, I will file a rejoinder affidavit. Let's say me posted to next week. I will file, my lord.
Okay, Land Council for the petitioners 1 week time to file the rejoinder affidavit, and Land Council of the state also to verify as to whether the petitioner will come under the common the operation of Hrishikesh Bindani judgment or not. Since the petitioner was engaged much later than that batch of judgment which
That is the aberment by the petitioner.
abatement.
My lords.
Further, he has been engaged much later than the batch of petitions which is hit by Hrishikesh Bindani judgment. So the clerk of the state to verify and apprise the court about the
My lord.
present petitioner's status.
My lord. And your lordship may direct to list it along with
इसका जल वही हो रहा है कार बाजू जी जब्ती
your lordship may direct to list it along with writ petition number 31410 of 2022
the
and
matter be tagged along with
WPC number 31410 of 2022 and WPC number 33173 of 2022
173
of 2022
12
22.
22.
Right.
May I pray maybe this letter on 12th, my lord? By that time, I will file a rejoinder and soft copy of for my understand.
21.
My lord,
12,
let
my
it taken up after
After
vacation so that I can take instruction on
after
his reason.
After vacation, since your lordship is there, my lord, I take a chance before my lords.
I don't know I will be there or not, even I don't know where I will go.
What I pray,
My lord, have had the matter extensively, my lord.
Again after 15 days, 20 days, you don't know what will be my assignment. I don't know.
what I pray,
Let me take my chance, my lord.
what I
You can take a
what
chance.
what I pray, my lord, let him file the
You are
rejoinder.
certain, I am uncertain.
No, my lord, I can I say. my
Your
lord.
case is certain. I am uncertain. Bench is uncertain. Always. Anyway, so is release the matter on November 7th.
My lord.
Next
23.
23.
May I please your lordship? This is a point to be decided by this court.
What is the point, sir?
In this point, whether I have filed the constitutional court title. There, the registry is they asking me to, you have not mentioned that the matter out of which this petition arises was never before this honorable court. This matter has not been regulated. My respectful submission. मोर कोच टाइटल रे पार्टी नाम लिखि दैछि कंस्ट्रक्टर कोच टाइटल फाइल कर दैछि किंतु रजिस्ट्री कहउछि जे सेटा लेख न लेखिले एटा
से रजिस्ट्री संग कथा होता हूं एठी
ना व्हाट इज मीन द कोच टाइटल आई हैव फाइल्ड द कोच टाइटल दे हैव सबमिटेड
कोच टाइटल बुझे छी कोच टाइटल कोन बुझी
कोच टाइटल मु देई दैछि किंतु समान कहउछंती जे दी मैटर आउट ऑफ व्हिच दिस पिटिशन रजिस्ट्री सेटा लेख
ताको रजिस्ट्री बुझांतो ना मते काई बुझे
ना एग्रीमेंट
defect cure karantu. Land council petitioner is directed to cure the defect at the registry counter, and the registry counter before the DR, and the DR shall cooperate the present the council for the petitioner in removing the defect. Okay. Next.
Item 24.
24.
24, your lordship has been pleased to issue notice on 31st of
Filing counter ADR. Yes.
On item 24, your lordship has been pleased to issue notice on 31st August 2023.
Yes.
The state has to file the counter, my lord.
What is the issue, madam?
Your lordship, the petitioner was appointed as the Anganwadi worker. After that, opposite party number 6 challenged her selection and she filed a writ petition before this honorable court. And after that, it was
Challenge on what ground?
that she is not eligible because she does not belong to the
Service area.
Yes, your lordship.
Service area, village service area.
That notification has not been.
Your officer to.
Your lordship has directed to file an affidavit.
Where is the affidavit?
My lord, that case.
Must have been that must have passed.
I'll
There will be half of the litigation will be reduced if you just take village into account. Why there will be so many residential certificate in one village? There will be village, maybe 1,000 people or 2,000 people there. You have
my lord will appreciate in Anganwadi cases there are small children below 7 years ago.
Sir, I never heard, sir.
My lord, kindly.
Small children taka jagar rahibe.
My lord, kindly bear. Kindly bear. My lord, kindly bear. Usually children, seman pila mane olga lokong to katu खाइबा पे माने नियंतनी my lord kindly say जदि चिन्हा परिचय लोक थिबे सेम एरिया रो थिबे से माने चिन्ही थिबे ताले it will be easier for them to feed them. That might be one of the reason, otherwise there is no other reason. I'll just find it out.
Maybe you are right. Government might have thought in that.
My lord, that's
central government scheme, na?
My lord.
So they must what is this is central government direction that should be local person. What about that ICD?
Central government implemented by the state government.
I know, but central government there is a guideline. You should be local or state government devise it.
That I have to find.
Whether central government has devised the guideline or state has devised the guideline?
State has devised the guideline. Centrally assisted, the state has formulated the guideline.
But
that might be one of the reasons. That is my submission, my lord. I'll file that affidavit to that effect.
And I don't think that's a
there is no other thing because of the small children. That might be one of the aspects. Why.
For the Anganwadi helper, that the helper be from the local area, the Anganwadi worker from any part of the village. What is the problem?
Helper is not not the duty of the helper to take from their house to the Anganwadi center. It is the Anganwadi worker who is.
That maybe you're right. That could be the reason.
Might.
In big village, in small village, everybody knows everybody. But
therefore, only village, 400 houses has been confined to one Anganwadi center. Correct.
That could be, yes. Let them file the reply.
I'll file.
At least we should know that. What is the reason?
My lord.
Yes.
Your lordship, in the last occasion, your lordship had directed to issue notice.
So, see, you are saying that OP number 6 was not belonging to that particular service area, right?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
She belongs to another district.
Of the two, who is meritorious? I mean, in terms of mark.
The petitioner.
What was your
because the petitioner was initially appointed.
What was your score? I mean, your total aggregate marks. पढ़ते नहीं हो ऐसे चले जाते.
So, your lordship may grant me some time. I will.
खाली grant me some time. इटा कौन परीक्षा वाले को prepare करके आसी बगी ऐसे आसी कर ऐसी खातर लिखी बगी बच्चों. When you are coming here, you must come to the.
Yes, lordship.
ये अधिक मार्ग से ताकत दी मित्रों. Notice क्या आसी? Okay, let's
I'll file the counter.
Okay, you filed late.
And the requisites has also not been, still the notice has not been issued to the private opposition. Requisites has been.
She has filed the requisite. Since requisite has been filed, the registry to expedite the service. Let it come.
Your lordship may fix it after vacation.
Whenever matter must read.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is your name?
S Das.
S Purana Guru?
Show me Das. Show me Das.
Oh, Setipai S Purana. It's difficult to pronounce. Okay. Next.
Your lordship may fix it to after vacation.
I'm not fixing because notice the file is automatic registry fix. Okay. Next.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 25.
25.
In item 25, in item 25, Your Lordship, I've got the instruction yesterday. Your Lordship, kindly see the last paragraph. Last paragraph.
It a comment.
Let us hear.
Your Lordship directed.
Your Lordship has directed to complete the investigation within 2 months, my lord. Thereafter, a time petition has been preferred by the IO, and your Lordship has further directed to complete the investigation within 2 months. But till
How
now,
long will it take?
my lord, kindly see the only one direction from your Lordship that the petitioner should cooperate.
He's not cooperating.
They are not. We have gone to Delhi to his house. Instead of that, he has not cooperated.
Like a learned council of the states has submitted that. Since the
May I-
non-cooperative attitude of the petitioner
May I pray, Your Lordship?
is delaying the disposal of the case. Stop.
Man, let them file an affidavit. They have gone to Delhi and the petitioner has not cooperated. He totally false, my lord. Totally false, my lord. Man, totally false.
प्रथमे बॉम्बे रे ଥିଲେ
No,
এই কেস বাবাকে 10 ଥର ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
my lord ପ୍ରଥମେ ବମ୍ବେ ରେ ଥିଲେ ବମ୍ବେ ରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଆଡ୍ରେସ ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ହେଲାନି
let them file an affidavit, my lord.
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ଆମେ
I assure you. Your Lordship directed to complete the investigation within 2 months. My lord, these.
କୋପରେଟ କଲେ କେମିତି କରିବେ
କିଏ କହିଲା କୋପରେଟ? They are submitting false statement, my lord. Let them file an affidavit.
you are outside now na
My lord?
your lordship,
No, my lord.
your lordship,
He has an UTP. He has been
Outside,
tortured.
outside. ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯାଇକି
ଆଉ ମିଳିବ
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ କେ ତା ବାପା ରହୁଛି ନା ଆଉ।
ସିଏ ବି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ
ହଁ ତମେ affidavit ଦଉନ ଯେ ସେ କୋପରେଟ
let him appear here, my lord. Let him appear then here in the police station on particular date, your lordship may.
ବାଡେଇକି ତା ଗୋଡ ଫ୍ରାକ୍ଚର କରିଦେଲେ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେଲେ ହଁ ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି affidavit ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ବାହାରି ପଳେଇନି କୁଆଡେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜେଲ ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ ଟର୍ଚର କରିଛନ୍ତି there is report you kindly have a glance to your my lord page 26 my lord
There is only this.
No, let me complete fast. Let me complete. No,
only there is a.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ଜେଲର ର ଅଛି ମେଡିକାଲ ଅଫିସର ଅଛି
ଜେଲର ପାର୍ଟ ଗଲାଣି ଏବେ ଏବେ କଥା କଣ ଏବେ ଜଲ୍ଦି କୋପରେଟ କର ସରି
we are my learned brother is submitting that the person is not cooperating. That is totally false, my lord. Let them file affidavit.
ଆପଣ କୋପରେଟ କରିବେ
ଆମର କରୁଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ସାରା
My lord, let him.
2 ମାସ ଜାଗାରେ
The petitioner to appear on a particular date will.
ସେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ଅଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ଥିବ ସେ ଆସିକି
irrespective.
one thing ଆପଣ ଡେଟ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ କର
ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ହେଇଛି
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ କରନ୍ତୁ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ ସେ ନହେଲେ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ମୁଭ କରିବେ
my lord if a person in Delhi his statement has been recorded.
I don't understand. Let this petition we kept pending here, and during that time, if a particular date is given and he is not coming, then he just
And if he is coming,
apprise the court.
if he is coming and cooperating within 2 months, it will be completed.
Yeah.
My lord,
Your lordship may mention that.
my small grievance kindly have a ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଲା ତା ପୁଅକୁ ମାଡ ହେଲା ସିଏ ଆସିବ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଠିକି
କାହିଁକି ଆସିବେ
ଏମାନେ ଡିଲେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି knowingly they are delaying the matter
ଆପଣ
knowingly they
supposed to be
my lord they are recording his statement ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା statement record କରୁଛନ୍ତି
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବସନ୍ତୁ I am not hearing anything like that. ସିଏ ଯେମିତି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମହାରାଜ ତ ଆସିବନି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆସିବ ଗୋଟେ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ସେ ସିଏ ଆସିବ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ସବୁ କାମ ସରିଯାଏ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି ସବୁ ହେଇଛି ଖାଲି ଚାଷୀ ସମିଟ୍ ହେବା କଥା
ସେମାନେ
ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ହେଇଛି ତା ନାଁରେ
ଯେତେ ତାଙ୍କ ଦରକାର ପଡେ ଡାକିବେ
ମୁଁ ସେ ପାର୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ସେମାନେ ଡିଲେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଜାଣିକି
ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିକି ଡିଲେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ମାଗୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଏଇଟାକୁ 2 ଥର 3 ଥର ଶୁଣିଛି ତାର କେତେ ତାର ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ଅଛି ମତେ ପାଠ
ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କହିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ବାଡେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଗୋଡ ହାତ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଛନ୍ତି ତାର ଗୋଟେ ୟୁଟିପି କି ଗୋଟେ ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବାଡେଇ ଗୋଡ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଥିବ ତାର ମେଡିକାଲ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବି ପଠେଇବେନି ଇଟ ଇଜ ଦି ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦି ୟୁଟିପି
ଗୋଡ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କର your lordship
please sit down I'm not hearing you. The petitioner to cooperate the investigating agency and be present before the investigating agency as and when he is required.
ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ମାସେ ଟାଇମ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଆଉ ସିଏ କଣ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ଯେତେ ଥର ସିଏ ଡାକିବେ ଇଣ୍ଟେନସନ ଦେୟାର
Sit down. I'm not allowing you to speak. Now sit down. Please sit. Nothing. Dispose of କରିବି नहीं तो I'll decide. Not you. No. मैं किसी एडवर्स ऑर्डर पास करूँ या
ସିଏ ଡିଲେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଜାଣିକି ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେଟିଂ ଏଜେନ୍ସି ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ କଗନିସନ ନେଇପାରିବେନି 3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲେ 3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲେ କଗନିସନ ନେଇପାରିବେନି
ତାପରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ this year is pending था let the present solution pending
It has already been disposed of.
की फाइल भेजी था
My lord, I will fight for the extension of time, my lord.
Oh, extension
For completion of the
oh sorry other 2 months time will be granted
much obliged.
and in the meantime set हो लगी है if the petition if the police the investigation agency finds that the petitioner is not cooperating or not responding to the summons by the police, the state to file an application before this court.
26.
Your lordship,
Ensuring its cooperation.
your lordship, a free copy of
Next.
26.
Yes, clearly matter now. Here, this is was group insurance policy. In the meantime, he met a road accident and
Group
you-
insurance policy or?
taken
Where?
by disease.
Huh?
The
No,
coverage
no,
is-
where you are working somewhere?
Driver. He was a driver by profession.
So there's a group insurance policy available for them?
Here,
No,
my lord,
no,
what
I'm
was-
just asking.
my lord,
Was there any group insurance policy for the drivers?
policy,
Yeah.
yes.
So what happened? He died.
He was died at the.
He
meantime-
died, then what happened?
Thereafter, his brother named Hiranya who claimed he was the brother of the deceased, was claimed before the insurance company for the.
Because of the identity issue, didn't?
Yes,
Mine.
yes, only surname and
Surname, Hiranya name has
I'm-
not given in legal heir certificate. As the finding of the London PLA also directed to pay the amount to the legal heirs of the deceased. And before the PLA, legal heir are not the party. My lord, kindly say the.
So you are saying that this person
Three
is not
discrepancies there.
unrelated person.
Yes, ma'am.
Unrelated person has approached.
Yes, ma'am.
Not this is not related.
He is not the original brother of the deceased. This is the first discrepancy. Hiranya Vanchar कोठी अच्छी तो अपना प्रूव होना लिखा है कि पहले पढ़ देखो तो legal heir को award मैंने टाइम से दावा
जानारे जो nomination nominee जी अच्छी से जाओनी
it's not the nominee.
no petitioner name is in nominee your lordship kindly see
show that
no proposal form the nominee name is Hero Venture that Hero Venture Hiranya Vanchar is the who are
मैडम गाय ऑलरेडी इंदे लिखी दियंती बेलड़ा ये छोट
show
Well, one thing I'm sorry.
and second
रोंदु
yes madam kindly see madam
just ticket इधर है बुलू बंचो
Bulu Vanchar is the deceased
proposer
yes yes madam he was the
and the ଏଇଟା ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ଏମିତି
But there
shortcut
was
ନା
no
ନା
nexus between
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ,
matters.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ, ରୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଆମର shortcut ନା ଏତେ technical
Matter because there
ଆପଣଙ୍କ against ଦେଇଛି ତ confirm
matter one
ଆଉ କିଛି
matter two disturbances there.
ଏଇ
Name-
ଏମିତି ଛୋଟ ଗାଁ ଗହଳି ଲୋକମାନେ
Here
ନିଜେ
they
poor
are
people-
brothers. They have not proved because in legal
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହିରଣ୍ୟ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା କହିନି ବୋଲି ହିରୋ କହିଦେଇଥିବ ସେ ଲେଖିଦେଲା ତମଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଯାଇଥିବ ସେ ଲେଖିବ ହିରୋ ଲେଖିଦେଲା କଣଟା ହେଇଗଲା
name of the hero is not there.
Matter.
Legal certificate का नाम नहीं.
ଏଠି ଅଛି ନା
Say-
proposal form ରେ
Nominee-
ଅଛି।
nominee का recipient.
TCA Buluban Church का disease relation किसी proof करना है. They are brothers.
ଏଟା କିଏ
No
ଲେଖିଛି
proof.
ଏଟା କିଏ ଲେଖିଛି
Buluban Church ନିଜେ ଲେଖିଛି.
ସେ ନିଜେ ଲେଖିଛି
Yes,
ନା
yes, man.
ସେଟାକୁ
That is
ମାନିବେନି ଆପଣ
ମାନେ
ଏଟାକୁ ମାନିବେନି ଆପଣ
but
ସିଏ
no,
ପୁରା ଲେଖିଲା
but
ମୁଁ
here ମାନେ
ଯାହା ଯାହା ନାଁ ଦେଲା ସିଏ ହେଲା ନୋମିନି
but
ଯିଏ
no,
ହେଇଥାଉ
but
ତାକୁ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା
ସେ ତ proof है ना. Then ସେ ତ ଏମିତି କହି ତାଙ୍କ property का ବି ନେଇଯିବ because there is no nexus between the brothers. Those are the brothers. That is no proof. Kindly see my legal
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ
certificate.
କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ
मैंने kindly see the legal certificate. That is the finding of the PLA. London PLA was given findings that the amount be paid to the LRs of the deceased, and LRs were not made party before the London PLA.
ହେଲା ତ ରହିବା କଥା
Yes.
Because this
Matter-
man will
matter
take
one-
money and the asal
Yes,
zone
yes.
ପାଇବା କଥା ପାଇବେନି
Matter, here the accident occurred in the year 2010. In the meantime, 13 years already passed. The LRs have not yet approached any forum claiming this insurance amount. Second thing, law is what said that nominee is the receiving hand for
that is fine but we have to
Yes.
ensure that
My
the small
yes.
children
My-
the 7 year 3 year 4 year children they should get benefit
Your may direct the PLA, disburse the amount, let the petitioner deposit the amount, and that we disburse after issuing notice to LRs as well as the present petitioner. The present OP number.
No, man, only this is not discrepancy.
And in case is there any doubt, then indemnity bond may be furnished by the parties. 1 lakh is only 1 lakh 6% interest.
Second dispute is my lord. Here name of the deceased is different. One Bulubanchor, then in FIR and final form it has been mentioned Bulubag, and the father of the deceased was normal.
ଗାଁ ଗହଳିରେ ହୁଏ ଆପଣ ଗାଁ ରହିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
Every
ସହରରେ ରହିଲା ଲୋକ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଗାଁରେ ଏମିତି ହୁଏ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକର ସେ ତା ନାଁ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଥିବ ଦୁଇଟା ତିନିଟା ନାଁ ଥାଏ କୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖି ଦେଇଥିବ ଯେ ପୁଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଗଲାବେଳେ ଆଉ ଜଣ ଗଲା ସେ ଲେଖିଦେଲା
ଦିଟା ତିନିଟା ବୁତ୍ତି ବାଞ୍ଚର ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା DL
that happens
DL ଅଛି
but the person that
yes man that is
doubt on that
that is
then the family should get there is no doubt on that the family will get it okay where is the order passed by the PLA ଏଇ ଯାଇନି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ legal error କଥା ଲେଖିନି
ନା that is why PLA reflects ମାନେ କାଇଁ
Last page number 6.
Bulu Bag, Bulu Banchar is one and the same person there.
Bulu Banchar got legal as for legal as certificate issued by Tosla.
No, but age belongs na lekha nahi na. Lekho there. The findings of the PLA regarding the name of the deceased Bulu Banchur is not in dispute.
Well, that is in dispute. Bulu Banchor, Bulu Bag.
Finally, what he has concluded, I am saying, not in dispute. The finding of the PLA regarding the deceased Bulu Banchor is not in dispute. Though in some places Bulu Bag is there, so in the village areas, this kind of minor discrepancy generally occurs. So the insurance company should not be so much hyper technical in this kind of issues. Hyper technical driver छोट छोट लोक माने पाठ पढ़ी नथे एते कथा आपण शिक्षित लोक माने बुलवाल कर दिस
Can you see the matter award matter?
Okay, award
page 11.
LRs could have.
However, and the petitioner the present petitioner who is a nominee in the proposal form name and his name has been written as Hero Banchal, which is also not the correct name as submitted by London Hospital Insurance Company. However, the এটা ডিল করনি
না করছি
করতে পারেगा
ସେ ସେଟାକୁ petition on issue number 2 ମାନେ that is not a clear
which is also settled by the PLA under issue number 2 and has affirmed that the petition the Bulu Bancher and Hero Bancher and Hiranya Bancher is the same person.
ମାନେ ସେଟା dealt କରିନାହାନ୍ତି that has not been dealt with
লিগাল হেয়ার কো ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି অলরেডি
ସେ only legal air को ही ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Legal year even ka na achi.
not in they are not
case,
they were not
case.
made party before the learned PLA
Learned concept of the insurance company for the summits that though the petitioner has 3 children named
this is
I'm sorry the deceased has 3 children namely Mukesh Banchur aged 7 years, Subham Banchur aged 3 years, Nandani Banchur aged 4 years. The PLA should have also ensured the implement of these legal errors while passing the order. While passing the award, sorry, award. In view of the above, comma, the matter is remitted back
না না না
to
অলরেডি ହେଇଛି এলাস দেব অর্ডর ହେଇଛି
kahin
অ্যাওয়ার্ডটা
award মানে
অ্যাওয়ার্ড কাছে
page 11 number turning page 11 number that is page 6 of the input order
The PLA case allowed on contract is direct the steps be taken for settlement of claim arising out of person so and so inform Elas of the deceased Bulu certificate. Otsi already. Dismiss our just.
dismiss कहीं हो LR's तो पार्टी ही ना ना before PLA dismiss कहीं हो LR's party
Okay,
कौन
है
है
they are all minor.
direction हो so diyan to
And the Tahsildar to identify the LRs at the time of dispersal of the amount and accordingly the amount shall be equally dispersed among the LRs. In such very matter, this court doesn't find any infirmity in the award passed by the PLA accordingly. No, dismissed. Next,
Item 27.
27.
Challenging the order passed against the PLA millers, I have filed this writ petition. Lords, your lordship may come to the ordering portion of the award millers. What happened was there was a theft. 3 days after the FIR was lost, 5 days after intimation was given to them. Thereafter, the vehicle was recovered. He gave an intimation to withdraw the claim.
The vehicle is recovered.
Recovered. He said that after recovery there was no battery, nothing. But whatever it may be, my lords, your lordship may come to the ordering portion. Lords.
That is also right, sir. The vehicle is come without battery, without
Lords,
engine.
that is
without
CGR list, everything, but nothing fine. Your lordship may come to running page 15, my lords.
So what is the CGR
The
list?
applicant shall approach the insurer within a fortnight hence to settle the dispute, and the insurer shall cooperate in the matter so that the dispute may be settled.
So he is not.
No, annexure 4, my lords, your lordship. may see.
Let's issue notice.
No, they have, despite notice, they are not appearing, my lords.
Not appearing.
No, your
The
lordship.
last time, let's see.
4 ही थोड़ा लगे.
How
Yes,
was the last time?
I am appearing for the respondent number 1 here.
Valid. Your lordship may see annexure 4, my lords, at running page 24.
Annexure 4.
Yes, page 24. This is a reference to the case order so and so Ganjam at Barampur order so and so in which court directed the applicant shall approach the insurer within a fortnight hence to settle the dispute and the insurer.
Sir, why did you approach the insurer within 15 days as per the letter?
Order, there is no letter is issued.
Arey sir, letter is there.
Now
If
your
you have
lordship
not,
may-
if you pretend to not to have received, then who can help you? You are pretending to have not received, but you have actually the letter has been issued.
The letter has not issued. The the respondent already filed execution proceeding before the civil judge senior division, Your Honor, in the month of June.
That
After
is stayed.
That is stayed, sir. That is stayed.
Your lordship may direct him, even if he has not now, let him approach, my lords. Now let him, on that basis, your lordship may fix time and.
That has been stayed.
That is stayed, Your Honor. After execution procedure, receipt of execution proceeding notice, they have annexure 4. They have stated as issued. The respondent have not received any such letter.
When did he approach?
Letter is 10/7. I filed a writ petition on 31/7.
In the month of
Approach. When did he approach?
He has not approached, that's why given this letter. Now he is proceeding with the execution. Let him approach, my lords, with all the reliance list, everything to substantiate that it has been stolen.
Do one thing, you approach that the insurance company.
Yes.
He has
withdrawn, my lords. The intimation after recovery, he withdrawn. Subsequently, filed that battery chori gala, chori gala, chori gala.
Respondent already that, Your Honor, alerts are rejected.
Let him approach, my lords.
You approach the insurance authority afresh.
So, Your Honor, alerts only present, Your Honor. The respondent is dead in the COVID.
That's fine. The LR, one of the LR can go there. LR can approach.
They are the parties here, my lords.
Now they are the parties here, they can approach.
Maybe very good the order ever passed by the.
Sir, जान दो यार, almost ऐसा को set aside कर दो जी. जान दो आप.
जाएगी, your lordship may fix up a time limit.
I am setting aside the award.
All the documents, Your Honor. All the documents as per letter of insurance company already submitted to the insurance company Calcutta office, Your Honor.
Bhubaneswar office.
अपना भुवनेश्वर office रे कुछ कलकत्ता.
Bhubaneswar, let him approach Bhubaneswar office, man. No need to go in.
Sir, they are given the Calcutta letter, Your Honor. Annexure 2 in the.
आपण local branch रे contact करें कलकत्ता पटेबी. हेड बेस आसी ठीक अछि.
ना कलकत्ता रु चिट्ठी दोचन सर. कलकत्ता एड्रेस पठान तो कलकत्ता रा सर्वर.
Hubta claims Hubta is controlling office is Kolkata. Bhubaneswar office is there, my lords. Let him approach the Bhubaneswar office.
You approach that.
Yes.
Sir, Bhubaneswar office रो कोनो से address दोना ने कलकत्ता office रो address दोचन and Your Honor ने annexure 4 that is Jamshedpur address. Annexure 4 होची Jamshedpur.
Annexure, my lords, I am giving the letter.
Annexure 4 टा Jamshedpur address. ताके Bhubaneswar कोनो से correspondence दोना.
The lords may say.
Policy रो पैसा नेबे
harassment 23.
Ticket.
Bhubaneswar.
Annexure 4 टा होची Jamshedpur रो देचन.
Anuj building side number Bhubaneswar. Page 23 affidavit जो file करते हैं officer file करते हैं. Page 23, running page 23.
The petitioner to approach the ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. पूरा एड्रेस का ही कोड करो.
Anuj building Bhubaneswar.
की बिल्डिंग?
Anuj
building. Anuj building भुवनेश्वर को पड़े अच्छी.
सर अपना बिग बाजार सामने से उल्टा जोटे
सत्यनगर. Anuj building सत्यनगर. And what?
With necessary documents.
With necessary document and.
Necessary documents, then we will consider yours.
What will you consider?
Pardon?
What will you consider?
That entitlement, Millers, because there is no assessment, nothing. Straight away, he withdrew the claim and filed the case. Your Lord's mercy,
oh, he has assessment, Your Honor. It is filed in permanent local. In the order
of the permanent local अदालत के पढ़ाई होती है अपना withdraw claim withdraw करी पढ़ाई के permanent पढ़ाई होती है जब permanent local अदालत चलती है पढ़ाई दौड़ी में पढ़ाई होना कौन
sir claim form
method to the madness also what
claim form is submitted, Your Honor.
Since the
estimation is given by the dealer
dated 11/3 a claim withdrawal letter dated 11/3/2014. Hence the insurance company cannot honor the claim. So, in such view of the matter, the petitioner to approach the branch office within 1 month from today, and the insurance company shall do the needful
1 month thereafter.
within 1 month there.
This hour to go, my lords. Now we will proceed with the execution. Hour to go. my
No, they are according to the PLA. They are passed by the PLA passed. Order pass कर दें जोड़े कि किसी ना तो order सब regular code वाले pass कर दीजिए. अरे कम से कम they should have examined these things. Next.
Item 30.
30.
Item 30, the connected matter I have already filed counter on 27. It has not.
My lord, I have to file legender, my lord, sometime in.
सब गलत है भी कंटाइम लगी थी लेकिन वो ना.
No.
हाँ.
Galathra, my lord senior has filed the counter. Copy has not served.
And connected matter copy has not served to the state also.
The
state को file कर दी.
Read application has been filed by.
So you have to serve the copy na to the state. Otherwise, how will he assist?
State, I have already served, and again I will serve.
He has not served.
ଆପଣ ମଝିରେ ପଶି ଆସିଲେ ନା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିକି କହିଲେ.
ହଁ ଫାଇଲ
ଆପଣ ସର୍ଭ କରିବେନି କପି.
ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଆଜି ଆଉ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି. I am suffering. And my petitioner is suffering.
Nobody is suffering.
Your lordship will remember this is the case where two crossers were, one crosser was closed and another was running.
Inspection has been done by your lordship appointed two advocates. They have
So let
submitted
him find the regulator. You have to find the regender.
Yes, ma'am.
I am giving only 1 week time. Not 12.
Before holidays, if your lordship can be here.
18. 16 कर दीजिए. 16.
October 18th.
No, 16, I mean, 17.
17th.
You file a reply. After that, don't ask for it.
Yes.
The matter is kept for final hearing. It may be fixed for final hearing at 2 p.m. Wait for that time.
Now full entire day is there.
But 2 p.m. fixed कर देते हैं. Next.
Item 32.
32.
32 lordship, this last occasion should be directed Panchayat to file by way of instruction that whether I was continuing or not. That
I am appearing for the OP number 4 and 5 lordship.
You are continuing there?
Yeah, I am continuing lordship. I am continuing. I am widow lordship. After death of my husband, I am continuing there. By virtue of a Panchayat resolution, I am continuing there. Last occasion should directed only to file an affidavit whether I was continuing or not, and there is whether a resolution or not.
Due to some
You
personal.
are continuing since when?
Lordship is the date of appointment. Lordship since last.
My lord,
2017
my lord,
lordship.
on the last occasion, state has filed his counter by stating that she was not continuing at Jagan's after the death of her husband, my lord. That's why your lordship has directed the Panchayat to file an affidavit. That
You have the information that the person is not continuing.
she's never been got appointment as per the resolution, my lord. But therefore, your lordship has directed the Panchayat to file an affidavit whether she was continuing or not.
Panchayat, you have filed?
Lordship, I'll allow me 7 days.
Why you are taking so much time?
No,
The
lordship.
time you are 7 days, 3 days, 5 days.
Your lordship kindly come to page
Let him
19.
file the affidavit.
I have resolution managed.
Let him file the affidavit.
Lordship.
And consider the Sarpanch.
Sarpanch.
Your first Sarpanch. Sarpanch, your name?
But lordship, one thing.
Your name?
Sitakant Hota.
Sitakant Hota.
But lordship, one information I have, lordship. In the meantime, the Sarpanch has already died.
the existing sarpanch. So now the PO will be act as lordship. He is the in charge. The government call better obviously. No suni paranti. And he is the council of the sarpanch. Who are expect. So that
sarpanch is no more.
No more. The government instruction on the better on the PO to present PO.
Instruction.
Present PO. I am performing.
I'll consider the state to take instruction from the office of the sarpanch.
Office
of the sarpanch. Dagana.
Belpada Gram Panchayat.
Belpada Gram Panchayat. Belpada is also block also. This is also Gram Panchayat Samiti office.
Right. The Gram Panchayat.
That's the matter. Let's finish it before holidays. And 16th? 16th, Sardar?
Yes, Lord.
16th.
छुट्टी पर आसु बेटर हो
छुट्टी पर
हां एटा कैसे आनी परिबे नि सर्जरी इंस्ट्रक्शन आसी वन
एटा कोन
छुट्टी भितर पड़े आसु
या फॉर
I have from OP6 my lord, the first person selected.
he is saying person
okay 6 November
the honors.
Grateful interim to continuous
interim to continue. Next
33
My approach.
Each and every continuing. So far as lordship's order is person 5,000 cost that been imposed against this state.
My lord, your lordship.
This is I think this is college I think should not come to.
No, should not come, but because of your lordship's last order for by imposing 5,000 of cost, I filed an IA for deletion of that. I filed the counter with.
You should have filed. You should have paid the amount instead of asking for.
My lord, because your lordship will appreciate.
I am not going to condone that.
Just your lordship may appreciate. Only my submission may your lordship may consider. Your lordship, the date was fixed on 19th. They have got the order and the free copy was submitted for communicated. The lordship will find it is on 27/9. Free copy was handed over to the office of the state to 27/9. In the meantime, the matter has come on 19/9. In the meantime, from downloading the order, your lordship's directions, we have filed the counter on 21st.
Okay, that what is the order?
So I hear a copy we among the among the they want to recall the order.
Order dated your lordship kindly say 19/9/2022. 19th September 2022.
September,
19th September 2022.
Okay. The order passed on 19/9/2022. Several adjournment required.
I hear a copy we among the
I saw the copy. It is your lordship. It is your lordship discretion. It is
you have to pay, sir.
Your lordship kindly appreciate. Your lordship was passed the order and previous order was passed on
previous kotha no
number of adjournment
entire conduct mein impose karai not for the once or twice.
On 24/8 your lordship has passed the order to find the counter in the previous. On 19/9 again it has been listed. So your lordship may consider that because of
the land council of the state to ensure that the amount imposed as cost on video order dated 19/9/2022 shall be complied with within a period of
lordship
1 month from today.
Your lordship may consider.
No, I'll consider. किसी पैसा वाला तो ऑफिसर बन एक्टिव है.
Then if your lordship wants it an example, then your lordship may reduce them.
Why? सरकार है.
It will not go from the
सरकार पैसा आवा मुझे बांटू से पूरा चारियाडे छता जोता सब बांटू.
It will affect his career also. It will affect, my lord, it will affect his career.
Huh?
Your lordship, it will affect his career. Once
career?
Once is the
Which career?
opposite party number one's career. Who has filed the counter affidavit.
The officer.
Offices. Much obliged.
The cost imposed by this court video order dated so and so is waived off due to the request made by the land trust of the state stating that this the imposition of cost will hamper the career of the may hamper the career of the deponent, the concerned officer. Considering his request, this court relates waive of however, for this.
One password matter item 17.
17, sir.
17 count like
Only instruction and be sufficient. Moreover,
17 count.
17 lordship, I was working as a grammar sevak. My order of disengagement has been quashed by this honorable court. I got appointment. I was working.
Yeah.
In the meantime, PD wrote a letter. No, don't engage him. So now I am out of employment. My order of engagement quashed by honorable High Court. I re-engaged. I was working.
So why not
PD has.
What happened? He approached this honorable court. This honorable court disposed of the petition directing to consider in accordance to Manas Kumar Swami case. In Manas Swami case, the direction was that during subsequence of the agreement, you should not disengage. So after completion of that agreement period, now they have disengaged on the as because there is lack of integrity. And further,
so that is a period for how
1
many
year,
years?
1 year agreement period over. So they disengage.
No, but very wrong interpretation. Lordship, kindly come to page 7.
You also come to
Page 46. Let me only 2 lines submission. Mr. Counsel, please. And
Page
46, let's.
46.
Lordship, kindly see. Because High Court quashed this order, this is a letter by the concerned PD to BDO, Lordship, kindly see. Personal Lordship's direction. In inviting reference to the subject above, you are directed to take necessary steps as per order of Honorable High Court Odisha and submit the action taken report High Court with a copy of this order within 7 days receive the letter. Then Lordship can come to next page.
What is the
Page-
rate here?
page
What is the
40
action taken?
47, Lordship, kindly see. 47. They engage. With reference to, I am to inform that see, Daitya GRS has joined in his block office. Lordship, they complied court's direction. I joined and I was working. Then Lordship, kindly see next page 48 of joining letter. Now, after out 3 months PD is saying, no, don't engage him. But 3 months काम कला पर
appeal forum is there.
कहीं आओ एप्लीकेंट जी हाई कोर्ट वास कल पर अपील जी उधर कहीं की कलेक्टर वास कर जी मोर ऑर्डर अब मो अपील कहीं जी वो है डिसएंगेज मी only PD has given letter, don't engage him.
You are saying a class that order. By virtue of that, he was re-engaged.
Engage hela पर तो disengage करियो की
बेटा तार पीरियड कितने दिन जाए?
Lordship, 1 वर्ष
आप लोग टाइम कितने बच?
only 1 year. It is harassment to the entire. प्रति 2006 रा में अपॉइंटमेंट हेलो नो प्रति वर्ष अपॉइंटमेंट हे चलची 1 year agreement चलीस. So they have completely misread the order of this honorable High Court Lordship. बुझाता हूँ ऑप्शन को एंगेजमेंट फॉर 1 year मो अगेन डिसएंगेजमेंट और 2 वर्ष चला है हाई कोर्ट रे 2 को वर्ष पर हाई कोर्ट कहला आज पर एग्रीमेंट यू एंगेज हिम बिकॉज़ इनिशियली यू हैव मेड एन एग्रीमेंट फॉर 1 year एग्रीमेंट एमान दे हैव मिसरीड योर लॉर्डशिप्स डायरेक्शन.
Challenges for arbitrary order disengagement dated 31/10/2022 passed by the collector Cuttack.
Jilla Parishad.
Collector is you na
PD you to executive officer which collector but here CDO come PD EO CDO come EO CDO does con
but you have written collector.
Yes.
नहीं CDO come ED EO lordship जिला परिषद कट्टा
CDO
come EO
जिला परिषद कट्टा since the petitioner was engaged, re-engaged after which order?
Order, Lordship.
Yes, I agree on that order.
Order, is this order?
Yes.
Okay. After the order of this court, BD order dated 21/9/2021. 21/9. But the petitioner, the petitioner was disengaged abruptly by on the basis of a letter written by the
CDO come EO, Jilla
CDO come EO,
Jilla Parishad, Cuttack.
Cuttack. Since the petitioner was taken to job to service after the court's order, the petitioner could not have been disengaged during the subsistence of the agreement.
Already after agreement itself, he has been. Yeah.
Hmm?
After the agreement will be over, this order is passed.
कौन है?
His order.
At this juncture, at this juncture, Land Council will still submit that the petitioner was, the petitioner's tenure for appointment is no more in existence. Hence, the authority is not bound to appoint him further. How much time you spent?
1 year.
The total कितने वर्ष काम हुआ?
मुझे देख छोरू काम करते हैं.
Considering the number of years he has spent in the with the administration.
There was allegation of irregularity. Yes.
अरे allegation फिर तो
अरे रियन के जब नहीं की फांसी कर डेथ.
Yes. Counter.
spent as Gram Rojgar.
Gram Rojgar 700.
The authority should have considered his continuance with some stringent terms and conditions for appropriate behavior and disciplinary appropriate and disciplined behavior in the organization. The collector Cuttack. The collector of Cuttack is directed to consider its appointment as Gram Rojgar Sevak
under Anandpur Gram Panchayat.
Anandpur Gram Panchayat
Mahanga block
for another year and observe his activities and behavior.
It would be a problem. Just on page 42, annex 5. If he will be agreed from the church and other sort of BPC and other PO also, we have to agree with them. Because there is allegation of illegal allotment of.
Let's say, may I say one thing? Let's see.
Let's come to page 42. What report? I'm
there.
Page 42, annex 5. It's the report. Report of malpractice.
Who date ta khali koi bhi who date malpractice report ta.
That
has been quashed. The High Court quashed wala pore again ke.
Ground 5,000 टंगा पाएगा सर.
Ground तो मैं पूछूं ना कि अफसर मैंने पूछूं ना.
Observe him in discipline if doesn't behave in a disciplined manner.
Lordship.
If the petitioner found to be indisciplined,
Lordship,
and ill-tempered or ill-behaved, then the authority
is open to the authority.
And he is found to be in dereliction of duty.
Lordship,
the authority can disengage him at any point of time by giving him the opportunity.
Lordship.
Okay.
Grateful.
Item 40, Millard. Item 40.
Received. I have not, I mean, the year's file is showing me the certificate.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦେବି
ହଁ ଦେଇଦେ ଜେରକ୍ସ କପି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
କେବେ 7th
ନାଇଁ ସେଭେନ୍ ଏଇ ୱିକରେ
8
8 ପା ହଉଛି ଇଏ
ନଭେମ୍ବର ପୁରା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକର
ତ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ instruction ଟା ବି ନେଇ ଆସିଥିଲି।
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକରେ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
17
Next. Item 35.
35
My lord, the petitioner, being an unemployed lady,
ଏଥିରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଡାକିଥିଲେ ଯେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜରଙ୍କୁ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଏଥିରେ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଥିଲେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଥର ଶୁଣି ସାରିକି ଯେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜରକୁ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ସେ ପିଟିସନର ଆସିଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସରିଯିବ ବୋଲି
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାନେଜର is also present.
petitioner is also present, my lord. What has happened in this case? Loan was sanctioned for installation of a chuda mill in the year 2009, my lord. First installment, so far as first installment is concerned, the 6 lakhs rupees was sanctioned. Balance amount was not sanctioned in her favor. After that first installment of rupees 6 lakh was sanctioned, she built the set, electrified that set, and installed the motor. And for full-fledged running of that chuda mill, rest amount was necessary. That was not sanctioned, and since rest amount, my lord,
for purchasing your price and all that.
My lord,
Capital
petitioner is present, my lord. Your lordship wanted to hear from her.
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କଣ ହେଇଛି ନା ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଟା ସେ ଆଣିକି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ସେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ହିସାବରେ ସେ ପାଇବା କଥା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ସେଟ୍ ପାଇଁ ଯାହା ଯାହା ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ସେ କିଛି କଲେନି ନକରିବା ଫଳରେ ଯୋଉ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ଟିମ୍ ଗଲେ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ବି ଅଛି ଆମ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ସେମିତି ସେଟ୍ ଫେଟ୍ ହେଇନି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି କିଛି ନାହିଁ କି ସେ ଯୋଉ ବୋରୱେଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ କରିବା କଥା ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସୁବିଧା ସେଠି ତ ସେମାନଙ୍କର କହିବାର ଥିଲା ପିଟିସନ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ ଶରୀର ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଆସିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଦେ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ କମିଂ ଟୁ ଦ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆଫ୍ଟର ରିସିଭିଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ତାପରେ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ସନ କଲା ପରେ ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଲା ଯେ ସେଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟର ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଥିଲା ସେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଓଭର ସେମାନେ ବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିଦିଅ ସ୍କିମ୍ର ଯାହା ଯାହା ଇଏ ଗୁଡାକ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ଆମେ ସବୁ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ରହିଛୁ ଆଉ ତ ସ୍କିମ୍ ତ ନାହିଁ ଯଦି କିଛି ନୂଆ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଥିବ ଆଣିକି ଦେବେ ସେ ଦେନେ ୱି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ହାଭ୍ ଏନି ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ବାକି ଯୋଉ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ମଷ୍ଟ ବି ରିଟର୍ନ
କେତେ ଅଛି ଅପସନ୍
ଆପ୍ରୋକ୍ସିମେଟଲି 7 lakhs ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଥର ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି କେତେ
କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାର ଗୋଟେ ଫିକ୍ସଡ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଥିଲା ସେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାଟାକୁ ସେମାନେ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ଆଉ ସବସିଡି ଟା ଯୋଉ 7 ଲାख ଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ପଡିଛି ଆଉ ସେ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ କିଛି ସେଡ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଭୁଲ କଥା ସେ ସବୁ ହେଇଛି
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ମାନୁନି
ସେଥିପାଇଁ
you may say no, you may say yes.
Madam, now I am submitting that inquiry report.
କଣ କରିବା କହନ୍ତୁ ଲୋନ ତ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ଲୋନ
ୱାନ୍ ଅପସନ୍
ନାଇଁ ଲୋନ
ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ପସ ପାଇଁ ଲୋନ ଟା ନେଇଥିଲି
ପର୍ପସ ପାଇଁ ଲୋନ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ପସ ପାଇଁ
ପର୍ପସ ଭିସିଏଟେଡ
loan amount can it be waived?
ନା ନା ତାକୁ ସେ ମୋର ଯୋଉ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ମୁଁ ତାର ଆନେକ୍ସଚର ବି ଦେଇଛି ସେମାନେ ମୋର କନସେଣ୍ଟ ନ ନେଇକିରି ମତେ ନ ପଚାରିକିରି ସେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଟା ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାକୁ ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିଛି
ପଚାରିବା ପାଇଁ ରୁଲ ନାହିଁ
ତାପରେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ରେଡି ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱିଲିଂ ଟୁ ବିୟର
7 ଲାख ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯାଏ ପଲାଟଲେ 11 लाख दे देगी खत्म करो तो कहीं बैंक वाले के संग फ्री कर दो पछ पर पड़ी थी बैंक वाले जा पछ पड़ी पैसा दे दिया तो खत्म कर दो कहीं अन्य से शांति रहे आ किसी बाटा नहीं ମୁଁ ବି କିଛି କରିପାରିବିନି କୋର୍ଟର ପାୱାର ନାହିଁ କି ତୁମ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଲୋନ ନେଇଥିବ ତାକୁ କମ କରିଦେବି ଇଏ କରିଦେବି
ଆମେ ତ ସବୁ ତ କରିଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋର୍ଟର ପାୱାର
ଆମେ ତ ସବୁ ଘର କରିଛୁ ତାପରେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରିଛୁ ତାପରେ ରୋଟର ପାଇଁ
ତାଙ୍କର ରିପୋର୍ଟ କହୁଛି ଓଲଟା ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବୁ
କାରଣ ଆମର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟମୂଳକ ଭାବେ ଆମକୁ
ଆମର
କରାଯାଉଛି
କୋର୍ଟର ପାଖରେ ତ ଲେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ ନା ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଯାହା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲେ
ଆମେ କରିକି ଉଠେଇକି ତ ରଖିଥିଲୁ
ଫଟୋରେ କୋଉ ଫଟୋ କାହା ଘର ଫଟୋ କରିବେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି
ସେମିତି କିଛି
ସେଇ ଫଟୋ ନା କାହା ଫଟୋ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି କଥା ହେଲା ଯେ ଫାଇନାଲି ଲୋନ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଲୋନ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆଉ କିଛି ବାଟ ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ
ଫିକ୍ସ ଟାକୁ ବି ଆପଣ ସାଇଡରେ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ ତାଙ୍କର
ସେମାନେ କରିପାରିବେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ଅଲରେଡି
କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି
କରି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେମାନେ
କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ମଝିରେ କହିଲେ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ କରିବେ ବୋଲି ଯୋଉ 20,000 ଟଙ୍କା
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଓଟିଏସ୍ ଫୋଟିଏସ୍ କଣ ଅଛି
20,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଡିପୋଜିଟ ବି କରିଛି
ଶୁଣ ଓଟିଏସ୍ ଫୋଟିଏସ୍ ଯଦି କିଛି ଅଛି ଯଦି ସିଷ୍ଟମ
स्कीम रे भी आसुनी ओटीए स्कीम टार जो नुआ आसी जे होनी बहुत हाई रोज कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी टा सेरे फिट होनी से फॉर्मेट रे आउ हेई परिबोनी ओटीएस
ତା ଫର୍ମାଟ ପପୁଲାର
एग्जैक्टली यू नो नोज दैट
ଆଉ କିଛି ବାଟ ବାହାର କରୁଛି ଆମେ ଲେବଲ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଥିଲି ସେଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କର ବି କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଛି ହେଇନି କଣ ରାସ୍ତା ବାହାର କରୁଛି ପ୍ରାଇମାରୀ ଚାଇଲେ ବାହାର
गोटे जिनस जदी सेतरे गोटे ऑर्डर आपण गोटे लाइन जदी करिवे ओनली बिकॉज़ इज ए लेडी दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सबमिटिंग माने आउट ऑफ
ठीक अछि
इट सिंपैथेटिकली जदी देखा जिवो जे मैं अप्रोच बिफोर द बैंक अथॉरिटी में हां सिंपैथेटिकली जदी गोटे हबो
बड़
पले जदी किछि हे परला तांको साहाय्य करि हबो बोली बाबू
ठीक अछि petitioner asserting the efficiency of the parties may it is for the disbursement of loan amount the loan amount of petitioner for the purpose of running a chuda mill the petitioner being a lady entrepreneur who has taken loan from the opposite party bank to start the mill and she constructed the house and got it the house for the chuda mill, got it electrified. She availed the loan under the Prime Minister Employment Guarantee Program for the purpose of installation. So, considering her eligibility criteria and credit worthiness, the bank sanctioned the loan under the PNHP's proposal. However, after sanctioning, after releasing of 6 lakh in her favor as first installment for the purpose of work shed, and other ancillary machinery and equipment, the chuda mill was installed. The further submit that, the petitioner further submit that she was under reasonable belief that the total capital of 20,60,996 shall be sanctioned by the opposite parties. But the opposite party bank sanctioned 14,60,000.
6 lakh sanction only 6 my lord
पण लिखित 14 लाख बोली थी
नहीं सैंक्शन 19 लाख
नहीं she लिखित opposite party would sanction 14 lakh 60,000 in her favor
14 lakh
सैंक्शन केवल 19 लाख होइतला हमें डिसबर्स ओनली 6 लाख
disbursement 6 lakh
okay total capital of 20,60,000 that is the project
yes
project
absolutely
project cost And the opposite party would, she was under belief that the opposite party would sanction 14,60,996 in her favor for the purpose of the machinery and other fixed capital requirement. But the bank only sanctioned rupees 6 lakh, released rupees 6 lakh in her favor as a fast installment. In the meantime, the petitioner fell ill due to arthritis and could not come out of her house for outdoor activities. Hence, the balance loan amount, and she wanted the balance loan amount to be released in her favor so as to run the said Hon'Ble. Learned consequence of the bank for the submit that the petitioner is having outstanding of
7 lakhs.
Outstanding will be 7 lakh up, including interest. No. Since the financial condition of the petitioner is not very sound due to the failure of the business on account of many factors, including non-sanction of the some portion of the loan amount. However, she is ready and willing to refund the outstanding amount. But considering her financial poor financial health, she is expressing her inability to pay the entire amount of 7 lakh as her business, as she has lost and she also at this juncture, this court we have to view that the bank should consider her application for 40 years and sympathetically consider our request and allow her to pay them sufficient space for installment. Let the petitioner approach the bank with a proposal for OTS. The bank shall consider if there is any OTS proposal or any proposal which can
As
be
per
of-
the extent guidelines of the bank, as per the extent guidelines of the.
as per the existing guideline.
Yes, ma'am.
According, within 1 month.
Yes, ma'am.
And the bank shall dispose of the application within 1 month. Accordingly dispose.
Obliged.
This much I can do.
My lord, may
So I have sympathy for a lady entrepreneur, but I can't help.
no, oblige, my lord. May I pray to add one more sentence, my lord. I am praying, my lord. The petitioner had fixed deposit of rupees 5 lakh, my lord.
Sir,
The opposite bank, opposite party bank has withdrawn that 5 lakh rupees and adjusted.
Adjust kari the bank has.
No, no, bank can do that, but that has already been withdrawn and adjusted.
Sir,
I have already taken that averment.
No
my lord.
bar, ତା ପାଇଁ କିଛି bar ନାହିଁ. Bank କରିପାରିବେ. ସେଟା ଆପଣ ସେ ground କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ. ଯେତିକି ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ମୋ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ନୁହେଁ, ସେ ଯୋଉ 7 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ଯୋଉ 7 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି।
Can do that. Bank can do. आपनकर लोन जदि अच्छी माने बैंक आपनकर फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट रू निबिन खोल कर हां
That can be taken into consideration. মানে one time settlement বেলে
से फ्रेश करना चाहिए
ହେଲେ ତ ଲେଖା ଏମିତି practically ଦେଖିକିରି ଯାହା
देखो बैंक मैटर में कोर्ट रो पावर बहुत कम हमें हाथ पूरा किछि नाही काना बैंक मैटर में बैंक आपन भीतर कथा यदि बागर वाला मियां बीवी राजी क्या करेगा काजी हम काजी का रोल प्ले कर किछि करिया जति करिया कथा हम कहली बाकी बैंक बुझेबा आपन बैंक मैटर कोर्ट वाले इंटरफेयर करिवे नाही आपण खाली गुटे जिंस कहि देबे 2 मास जगह 4 मास की 5 मास अधिक टाइम टिके हम कोई रिक्वेस्ट
মানে अमाउंट टा जो এইটা एक्सक्लूडिंग सच अमाउंट
कथाटा
आज्ञा
अमाउंट है सर यदि आपण पास थिबा फिक्स से तू भी नहीं से एडजस्ट करि परबे लोन रे कान से नो
that সেটা অলরেডি অ্যাডজাস্ট করে দিয়েছেন
से साले भी तो बाकी আছে তুমি दैट सिस्टम को करी आई एम पावरलेस
कॉम्प्रोमाइज करिया पे पुन थरे पैसा नै
कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर दियो मैडम पैसा तो पब्लिक मनी
आसिले आसिकर काई करेले हम काई डिपॉजिट पुन थरे करथुलु
कोन करबा से होए बैंक रे लोन नले से सब रेडी
आशा देइथिले कहले हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज करै दबु तापर काई करलेनी कोन पई
दान तो बैंक अप्रोच करो तो देखिए कितने कौन क्वेश्चन सब ओके ठीक है देखिए ट्राई करिए जितने ही परियो हां ओके
item 36
ना item 36 first item is instructions my lord.
I pray, my lord, one liberty may be granted. Rupees 36,667 टंका they are deducting illegally in adjusting 5 loan accounts. I may be granted liberty.
चले सर
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଲୋକ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଣ बैंक रे सिस्टम जानि नांदी समते खाली कोर्ट रे आसी खाली इलीगली जा कथा कथा के इलीगली बोलुछंती
नहीं सर
बैंक कैन डू दैट
ନା ଭାଇଲଟ ମୋର କେସ୍ ସେ ପ୍ରକାରର ନୁହଁ ମୋର ଛୋଟ କେସ୍ ଟା ମୁଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଜଣେ ଚାକିରିଆ ମୁଁ ଚାକିରି କରୁଛି 5ଟା ଲୋକ ରହିଲେ ମୋ ଘରେ ପରିବାରର ଲୋନ ମାନେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ନୁହେଁ
ଆହୁରି ଡେଞ୍ଜରସ୍
ମୁଁ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର ନୁହେଁ ସାର୍ ନା ମୁଁ ଯେହେତୁ ଚାକିରି କରିଛି ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରିଲେଟେଡ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ତେଣୁ କରି ତୁ ଟଙ୍କା ଯାକ ସବୁ ଦେ ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଯାକ ଟଙ୍କା ଭରିବି
ନାଇଁ 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 ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ସର୍ଭିସ କରିଥିଲେ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଏମପି ହେଇଛି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ୱାଇଫ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନମ୍ବର 1 ଲୋନି ତାଙ୍କର ସିଷ୍ଟର ଇନ ଲ ବ୍ରଦର ଇନ ଲ एवरीबॉडी that is why we are saying that is bank related
है नहीं ଆପଣ ୱାଇଫ ଲୋନି ହେବ
ସେଥିରେ ଭାଇ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ରଦର ଇନ ଲ କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ବି ସେ ନିଜେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର
ମୁଁ ଦିଟା ଲୋନର ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର
ପରମିଶନ फ्रॉम द एचओ
ଯୋଉ ଦିଟାର ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର ହେଲି
ସବୁଥିରୁ ବଡ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର ଆପଣ ୱାଇଫ ର ଲୋନ ର
ସିଏ ଟଙ୍କା 50,000 ରୁ ସେଇଟା କଟି ଯାଇଛି ସେଇଟା କଟି ଯାଉ ସେଠି କଥା ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମଲ୍ଲିକ ବୋଲି ଯୋଉ ଭାଇଟା ଅଛି ହଁ ନାଇଁ ମୋଦି ମହାରାଜ ନୁହନ୍ତି ମଲ୍ଲିକ ତେଣୁ ସିଏ କଣ ତାର ଟଙ୍କାଟା ସେ ୱାନ୍ ଟାଇମ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ସରି ଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ବାକି ରହିଲା 4ଟା ଲୋନ ତ ମୋ ୱାଇଫ ନେଇଛି ଯଦି 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ଦେବା ଦରକାର ମୁଁ ଦେବି ସେଟା ମାଟର ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ଯୋଉ 4ଟା ଲୋନ ହେଲା ଦେ ଆର ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ସେଗୁଡାକ ମୋର ଭାଇ ହେବେ
ଭାଇ ମାନେ ତ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର ରହିଥିବେ
ମୁଁ କୋଉଥିରେ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟର ନାହିଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କର କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁକା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଇଲିଗାଲ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଲିବର୍ଟି ଦିଆଯାଉ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ନେଇକି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବେଟର ରିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ କରେ
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଟଙ୍କାଟା ଆମେ ଡିଡକ୍ଟ କରିଛୁ ସେଇ ଟଙ୍କାଟା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ଲିବର୍ଟି ସେଟା ଦିସ୍ ରିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଇଜ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍ସ ଦେ ମେ
सेकंड आइटम है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
सेटा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
नेक्स्ट
डीपली
obligement
ये बड़ा गहन कथा ये जो लोन माने गुआड़े बाटे कोड धरिए छाड़िए नि सन
आगे
दिन पुस्तक तो धरते ताको छाड़िए
डीपली अप्लाइज
देयर इज अ सेइंग ना बी ए borrower never be a guarantor
ट्रू ऑलवेज ट्रू
borrower हो बजे guarantor हो नहीं
आगे
दैट आउट डेंजरस
obligement
item 37
Madam, I am appearing on behalf of the Millard opposite party Millard. Opposite party Millard, Bank Millard, SDB Finance.
Additional account.
My lord, the present petitioner, my lord, filed this case, my lord, suppressing the real facts, my lord.
এই পিটিশন তো নাই ଆଉ preparation কাজ নাই জানি
My lord, on dated, my lord, I have in due,
পিটিশন তো আসু
my lord, date, in due procedure law of law, we have seized the vehicle and given, prior to giving the notice and given much opportunity. Again, sir, sale call up after 1 year, he has filed this case against the opposite party for release the vehicle. My lord, the case was instituted on 2/3/23, and I have.
ତୁ ଆର ପାର୍ଟି ଆସୁ
Hello, the time.
ଆପଣ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ଆର ପାର୍ଟି ନାହିଁ
I got a time.
on appears for the petitioner. List the matter on 15th November.
Item 38.
38. 38, Mr. Pujari. ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ Got it?
Just to ascertain whether there is any provision for the area wise residential certificate is required or not.
Achhi. ये तो लगेगा आवासिक प्रमाण पत्र कहार
Residential certificate.
that I know कहार
My lord, it is from your lordship, the next page. It is block wise.
कोड ब्लॉक वाले लगाई
On the next page. Block unit.
कोड ब्लॉक यूनिट में जानता हूँ
Next page, third page. Part second, third, your lordship on the right hand side, your lordship will find on the top of the right hand side. Jilla. Kramika Sankhya, Jilla, block unit. Padavis.
So you yes, what do you say?
That chapter has already been closed.
I don't remember which chapter is closed, which is open.
My lord, residential certificate chapter has been closed and he has been given appointment. The issue in this fact, in this case is, she is claiming her area service benefit from the date of appointment of her junior. The decision I have cited is, when a junior security lapse mark has been given appointment and person having greater mark has not been given appointment, then if she is appointed, she will get the step before the junior, and the service benefits will be given to her. This is the decision I have cited. So.
And also, not this for contract, this schematic post. Schematic post है तो कौन जा? आपने से government जो regular job पाई है ठीक है schematic post तो कौन?
No,
in this case,
the decision.
Admittedly has got the investment in the year 2006.
That's the claim that my learned friend is doing, that has already been set aside by this honorable court.
You are
and
referring for whom?
reported in, I have given in my note.
No, you are referring for?
I am for the petition.
And you are for?
He is my colleague.
Both of you. I thought you for the
That report, I have in my note in page 2, I have mentioned that this honorable court granted all relief to me on the basis of that. Reported in 104/2007.
Sir, मोर गुटे क्वेश्चन हला ई कोर्ट ग्रांट करथे पे मना करूनी खाली गुटे मोर डाउट हला आपण मोर क्लैरिफाई करंतु कैन a person be regularized from the date of appointment in a schematic post like this? That is my question.
This is not a question of schematic post. The question is the question is on 7 into.
This is what this is.
Sikha Sahayaka.
Sikha Sahayaka. It is schematic post.
No, after 6 years there.
After that it is okay.
No, my lord, the question. No,
but initially you are in the scheme.
That is applicable here. I have given note. I have given the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. The question is.
Supreme Court decision.
Deji pura. Deji, apun gala thor note deji no.
And this is Supreme Court judgment.
ଗଲା ଥର ଦେଇଥିଲି ପରା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ର ଜିଷ୍ଟ ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଜିଷ୍ଟ ଏବେ ଦେଇଛି
note of
the question is in 2007 I should have got the job. They did not give it. Thereafter they took the ground that I do not belong to the block.
So you finally got the job in which year?
2016.
After 9 years.
After 9 years. I'm talking, I'm splitting my law. The question is, that was, then
So even if you have not worked, not done nothing, you will get job.
they have to give me service benefit. That is what the judgment has provided.
That is what.
No, that is what their fault. I have no fault. I have approached this
Show
one.
me some judgment of this nature in the schematic post, such thing is given or not.
If
you can satisfy me, then you will get.
My lord, the question is,
Sir, I'm only on one.
I have.
You are right. If you are in a regularized job, you are right. Absolutely right. But can it be applicable to a schematic job like
That is also a job under the state.
Not many jobs are there under the state. Not everything is not under the state.
No. Nowadays they are not giving direct appointment to teachers. They are doing that. That is the beginning.
Sir,
Shiksha Sahayak.
but that Shiksha Sahayak is a World Bank scheme.
And this honorable court had directed to.
Maybe court can do anything for different case.
No, not one.
I want principle. Give me a principle. If Supreme Court or any High Court has done this, not single judge, DP. Single judge, I am also single judge.
That is why I submitted the Supreme Court judgment. All right, your lordship may post it to another date.
Can Supreme Court judgment?
There is
Your lordship will remember that my lord and senior have cited the judgment of the railway.
Railway is not applicable here.
Railway is not applicable. एमती सिमिलर सर्कमस्टेंसेस केस
Similar after 20.
आपण आईसीडीएस देले चलिबो आ गोटा
आया
देले स्कीमेटिक
सेथिरे after 20 years the honorable Supreme Court said you give him job and also avoided cost.
সেটা
There she had approached courts of law 3 times. In this case I was made to approach this honorable court 10 times.
How many times you have come? That's not.
No, not. In spite of direction of the honorable court, they are not granting. They are again playing mischief. That is my case.
What is the order? Court order. This court order.
Court order. I have quoted petition.
At best, you can get if there is something like seniority or something like ancillary benefit that you can get.
That seniority
But
also I will
money
get.
and getting whole money without doing anything. How can it be paid, sir?
That seniority also I will get.
Maybe government's fault.
Your lordship may kindly turn to page 11 of the petition.
Which
Page,
judgment?
page 11 of the petition. Read petition. No, read petition. No, I am read petition to court korchi. The final order. Read petition page 11. Your lordship may kindly see page 11, third para, fourth para. The said writ appeal was dismissed by order dated 10/9/2015. Copy of the order is quoted below. Second para. The order impugned in the appeal was made on 5/10/12.
And that was on delay, sir.
No.
Delay.
No. My lord, your lordship will get. Whereas the appeal is filed on so and so date, unfortunately, the number of days of delay are nowhere mentioned. Delay of them, not mine. Delay of the state. This honorable.
I'm not. The other case which we were showing, that was also case of delay.
Yes, this is also delay. Their appointment was not made. Here, appointment was made only in 2016 in spite of direction of this honorable court thrice. Single judge applied it, directed give appointment. No, they did not give.
What is the post here?
Now,
In this case, what is the post?
now she is working as junior teacher.
No. In this case, the order you are showing.
They are junior clerk.
What is the case?
Junior clerk. The decision that I have cited.
Junior clerk, not schematic again.
Not, it is not a schematic, that ground is nowhere
Sir,
there.
it is schematic job. Sir.
Never, they have never
anybody.
taken that ground.
Ask anybody.
You let him ask him, so let them show. କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଏଇ ground କୋଉଠି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ 5 ଥର ଆସିଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ. I have come to this court 10 times. What admitted fact? Who has admitted? Who has admitted? Where is that?
Schematic argument or arrangement or not, it is admitted.
Where have you taken that ground? Not necessary. Yes, all right, your lordship, note that he says that it is not necessary. Without pleading, if somebody says that it must be taken into consideration, then I cannot say anything.
Your lordship, kindly see the direction of the Honorable Court in the earlier writ petition. It is at page 10 of the writ petition.
Just.
Zero argument, but I will submit another note. You not see me call it on another order. He says that it is schematic and pleading. What pleadings they have made and how that is not binding on me, I will find a note. I will submit a note.
This is schematic, sir. I will just seeing in here also.
My lord, I will submit another decision. I have got it. But the question is, it must be decided on the basis of
junior teacher schematic. That is
on the basis of entire reading of the pleadings will convince your lordship.
Even if the pleading is not taken, pleading, sir, this is the schematic for that. Nobody can deny it. I don't think anybody will say that this is not a schematic post.
My submission is whether schematic or not.
Neither
My only question is
what ground? I will take that you have not taken that ground.
You are a regular employee and this kind of situation happens, of course you are entitled to get that. But when there is a schematic post and such things is not happening, then give me some case on this. Give case on I am on the law point. Otherwise, I don't have sympathy for you, but the only thing law, you show me the law.
All right. Doesn't
matter. 1st November.
39.
My learned senior is not there. Kindly.
Who is your learned senior?
Alok Kumar.
क्या हुआ? Ill.
Here, what happened, my lord?
मुझे लगता है तुम ज्यादा इल लग रहे हो तुम्हारा सीनियर से. Smile, then I will grant. Otherwise, smile. Smilingly ask. No. ऐसा क्या है? Behave properly. अलग नहीं, cheerful mode रहो. आदर को. Smile is different from laughing. You are laughing. Smile is a moderate level. Laughing is higher level. So smile is sufficient. Next. Okay, 9th November.
Next week.
Next week. Okay, 19th. Next.
Item 40.
For the petitioner here.
Next month.
For opposite parties, my lord, we have instruction to appear. My lords, for opposite party, Ananta Automobiles. Ananta Automobiles, my lord, opposite party.
I had taken dusty notice and served him last
My
time.
lords. My lords, we have instruction to appear. Your lordship may fix it after 2 weeks. We'll file the Vakalatnama and counter in the meantime.
Not tonight.
No, my lords.
Let it come after holidays.
Not 18th or
18th, last समझते हो हॉलिडे मूड को ऐसे थे दशहरा पूजा घंटा बजे लाड़ के आके रही है कोर्ट में सब पड़ी so better it is let it come after vacation or holidays this 2nd November.
Grateful, my lords.
interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue.
Till next hearing.
Next.
No, next hearing would be.
सेदिन हियरिंग कर दो
नहीं till next hearing, next
हाँ,
date
till
हेले
next
कौन
hearing,
हाँ
till next hearing, of course.
Item 41.
Wait, please, your lordship. Item 41, your lordship.
My lords.
I am for the petitioner.
2 weeks time.
Who are
Last,
for?
I am for
Who are for?
respondent, opposite party number 1.
Why? Time.
Parabytes comment is not come. These are
That's why he
the
wants time.
My lord, my lord, I have no objection with a smile on my.
I am allowing it with heavy heart, you are saying.
I have no objection with a smile on my face.
छाती रे पत्थर रखी की छाड़ू छन.
No, with a smile on my face, as your lordship directed.
Okay, ठीक है. So list
But
the
your
matter.
lordship, I request my learned brother, let them file the counter. 2-3 times they have taken. Let them file the counter, your lordship.
File the counter. List the matter on 8th November. है ना?
The interim order, my lord, the interim order may continue.
अरे खत्म करो जल्दी जल्दी काहे ये घर गुट्टे पे डेट
आज्ञा.
तारीख चल रहे हो तुम.
Even today, your lordship can dispose of it off.
କିଛି 2 ମିନିଟ୍ ରେ ଖେଳ ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ତାରିଖ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଏଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଲତୁ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକୁ.
Parabytes comment as
ଆରେ ପାରାବି କମାଣ୍ଡ ଆଇବ ମାସେ ଲାଗିବ ପୁଣି ତାକୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ କରିବ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ. ଜଲ୍ଦି କରିବ ସେ କିଛି ନା କାଳେ ଧରିକି ବସିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଗୁଡା 2 ମିନିଟ୍ ଲାଗିବ. କଣ ଅଛି କେସ?
Your lordship may kindly continue my interim order.
Okay, interim order to continue till the next date of listing. That is 8th November.
My lord,
Next.
obliged.
42.
42.
My lord. May I please, my lord? My lord, 130 feet high, huge trestle tower in the lighthouse premises at Gopalpur and Sea is going to cause serious to life and property of the petitioners.
ए कौन आ गया ने कौन केसटा कौन टे कहंतु?
The case is, my lord, there is a trestle tower going to be constructed in the lighthouse premises at Gopalpur.
What is that?
Trestle tower, TRESTL. Trestle means, my lord,
Trestle tower, okay.
It is a framework of horizontal.
By the Coast Guard people.
My lord.
What is the problem?
And there is a rudder going to be placed at the top of the 130 feet high tower. My lord.
Problem ta koti kontu.
Problem is, my lord, there will be electromagnetic radiation from the rudder.
पूरा point पे electromagnetic radiation जेंतु अपन मापी के रखी चंदी पूरा.
No, this is the literature of World Health Organization.
आज्ञा को literature पढ़े जो electromagnetic radiation केते होचे अपन कोड मापी ले.
No, it is, my lord.
खाली अपन अंदाजा लगे देरी कहि देले हिजबो.
No. It is no.
अपन को जो स्टडी रिपोर्ट देखेबे ना खाली इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन बोले ताल इंडिया टेलीफोन टावर सब आगो हटेबा कथा.
No.
तापर आपण फोन चालीबनी तापर पुनी कंप्लेन करी आज्ञा टावर हटे देले फोन हमर.
Yes, this is exactly the point.
Or in that case, all the telephone tower they are emitting a huge amount of electromagnetic radiation. But they went to Supreme Court. Fortunately, I was also one of the parties. Supreme Court says, without any study on the effect of the on the your birds or any other animal, if there has not been any study conducted by anybody in India, and COAI, they went to foreign countries for getting that. COAI is Cellular Operators Association of India. They went to foreign countries for getting something like the effect of electromagnetic radiation on the people, or maybe on birds, maybe animals, right? Still, that is inconclusive. Nobody has ever clearly said that there is an electromagnetic radiation and thereby it is hampering the animal, birds and everything. No, there is still no conclusive evidence so far found. How do you say that these electromagnetic radiation?
My lord, doctors is a dependable body. There are experts who have said this.
आपण को expert आनिचंदी मते टिके देखले.
This is
कोड आनिचंदी आपण.
Kindly, my lord. radiation. People who live or routinely work around radars have expressed concerns about long-term adverse effects of these.
ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଉଠୁ ପାରିଲେ ଏଟା କଣ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୁଗୁଲ ରୁ ତ ଗୁଗୁଲ ରେ କେତେ କଣ ବାହାରିଛି ମତେ ଷ୍ଟଡି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦରକାର ଏମିତି ଗୁଗୁଲ ପାଠ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଗୁଗୁଲ ପାଠ ଏମିତି କେତେ କଣ ବାହାରିବ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ବାହାରିବ ତାର ଉଲ୍ଟା ବାହାରିଥିବ
One thing. And the other part for which the petitioners are under threat is Gopalpur is
ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କହିଦେଲେ ହବନି ମତେ ପୁରା ପ୍ରୁଫ ଏକଦମ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଦରକାର ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି
2 points, my lord. Gopalpur is also a cyclonic prone area. A cyclone prone area.
ସାଇକ୍ଲୋନିକ ଏରିଆରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଟା ହାଉ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏଫେକ୍ଟିଂ
My lord,
ଏମିତି ଯୋଡ଼ିଲେ ହେବନି ପୁରା ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ପ୍ରୁଫ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି କହିଲେ ହବନି I am not a fool to accept all these boring arguments.
The wind speed has gone up to 260 kilometers per hour.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଟା ସେ କୋ ଫିଜିକ୍ସ ଟିଚର ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ ଧରିକି ଆସିଥିବେ ସେ ମତେ ବତେଇବ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବା ବୁଝିବା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ଆଇଜର ଅଛି ନା ପାଖରେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ଆଇଜର ଅଛି ଆଇଜର ଫିଜିକ୍ସ ପ୍ରଫେସର ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ମତେ ବୁଝିବ ସେ
That's true, my lord, but it is not something that I am making some
ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଖାଲି କହିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିବି ନା କଣ
What
ମୁଁ
has
ଏମିତି କେତେ ବସ୍ତା ବହି ପଡିଛି ଏମିତି
what has been uploaded in the Google by the WHO?
ଚଲାଲା ଏମିତି ବ୍ରିଫ ବସ୍ତା ବ୍ରିଫ ଏଇ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋମ୍ୟାଗ୍ନେଟିକ ରେଡିଏସନ ଉପରେ ପଡିଛି ଆଉ ଏତେ କଣ
My humble submission is we are not opposed to construction of the
Sir, I am not on that unless you show me any scientific evidence saying that this is going to affect the animal or any bird or anybody. I am not going to accept any argument. Simple. କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବନି ପେପର ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା ଲେଖି ଦେଇଥିବ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣାଲିଷ୍ଟ
କିଛି ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା କିଛି ଲେଖି ନାହିଁ
ଆଉ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ନ ଦେଖିକି ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା କହିବିନି
ସେଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଯଦି ସେମିତି ହଉଥାନ୍ତା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯେତେ ଫୋନ ଲାଗିଛି ସବୁ ଫୋନ ରେ ସମସ୍ତେ କାନ ପୁଡିକି ମରିଯାଆନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ ଆଉ କାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ଫୋନ ଧରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏଥିରେ ତ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋମ୍ୟାଗ୍ନେଟିକ ସବୁଠୁ ବେଶୀ ଫୋନ ରେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଫୋନ କାନ ତଳେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ତକିଆ ତଳେ ପଡିକି ରାତିରେ ଶୁଅନ୍ତି କାନ ଫାଟୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
The whole problem is the tower.
Sorry, I can't accept this.
Lord, so I will bring the report to satisfy my lord.
Sorry?
I will bring some reports to satisfy my lord.
Okay, get the report. You are most welcome.
My lord. Thank you, Lord, my lord.
Yes. So you come physically. Let's see the ones. If you want to come, you are most welcome. If possible. I'm not forcing you.
It's all right, my lord.
You are arguing nicely, but only thing is you lack some evidence. That is the only thing.
No, but it is all right.
You are arguing nicely. So no need to come. Your voice is also clear. Everything is clear. Only thing is evidence is not clear.
That's true, my lord. It's possible to satisfy my lord. But
sir, get some evidence. Try to talk to your some professor of the ISER. ISER or Berhampur University, some physics department professor, or maybe electronics, professor of electronics. Let them find out something for you. Okay. Okay. So when do you want?
4 weeks time, your lord.
4 weeks.
My lord.
Okay. 7th December.
My lord.
Okay.
Oh, bless.
Item 43.
My lord.
ଆଉ ପାରିବେନି 4 weeks ଗଲା ପାରିବେନି ଜାଣିଛି there is no we have actually there was a 1 month that matter was going on every day Supreme Court used to hear it nothing conclusive came out ଏମିତି ଖାଲି କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ କିଛି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ମେଡିସିନ ପ୍ରୁଫ୍ ନାହିଁ ହେଇଥିବ nobody knows but there is causal relationship ବାହାରିବା ଦରକାର ନା ଫୋନ ରେ କଥା ହଉଛ ତାହେଲେ ହେମିତି ଯଦି ବହୁତ ଏତେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ରେଡିଏସନ ଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ତ ଫୋନ କାନ ଫାନ ଜଳି ଯାଆନ୍ତା ତମର ନାକ କାନ ସବୁ ଫାଟି ଯାଆନ୍ତା କଥା ହେଲା ବେଳକୁ ଫୁଟି ଯାଆନ୍ତା ଆଉ କଣ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତା କିଛି ହଉନି
Item 43.
My lord, I am on PC. My lord, this petitioner is a Asha Karmi working under Banikhas Gram Panchayat, Tukriya Jira since 2007. And
working. So what is the problem then? What is the problem then?
All of sudden, medical officer given a notice on notice board on 24/3/2023. चिपकेले मते किसी नोटिस करी नाहंती हठात से माने पंचायत ऑफिस की नोटिस बोर्ड रे मोर डिसमिसल ऑर्डर को चिपके दर मते किसी नोटिस करना
कौन है जी? Lord Counsel for the state to take instruction regarding the illegal termination of the Asha Karmi without giving even opportunity of hearing. Full stop. This is the matter on 6th. Next.
interim protection में
Sorry?
interim protection में गिवे समय चाहूँ जे और हुआ का को एंगेज कर दो मीन टाइम पे.
Okay, in the meantime, the petitioner shall not be, there shall be no coercive action against it.
If not discharge from service,
Of course, if not discharged from service. If she is not discharged, seize the seize. Next.
Item 46.
46.
Matter relating to selection of Shiksha Sahayak.
Shiksha Sahayak. It कौन असुविधा कौन?
एथिरे हला the lordship being the author of that judgment and pursuant to that judgment state preferred SLP before the Supreme Court. No. That related to that Babita Satpathy. There were 35 total number of.
I forget the day I write. I always forget it. I tend to forget even name be man.
Last and you have a glance to page 36.
So what do you want?
Out of 35, they have given engagement to 34 persons, and my case was rejected.
Why?
After dismissal of the SLP.
Why?
On the ground that at the time of submission.
You are also there.
Yes, party.
Okay, Mr. Under concept of the state, Mr. Mahapatra shall take instruction as to why the petitioner's case was not considered. Those he or she? He was in this similar footing with the other people who have
along with 35.
Another 35 people who have been engaged. Regularly.
34 engaged he gale. Regularize he na.
Only engaged. ठीक है.
एथरे ग्राउंड नउछन जे तमे जेतले रीड करथिला कि रीड अपील थिला ता धेरे तमे इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ शिक्षा सहायक तमे देई दिथिलो डॉक्यूमेंट एथिरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टीचर.
Let them fight it.
शॉर्ट डेट मैन आ गोटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट से माने इश्यू कर दैछन इन द मीनटाइम.
there is a process.
34 जण पाई गलेनी जणे खाली रही.
एला करथिले पोस्ट देई देबे गोटे पास. जे देई परिए. जे सब ठीक अछि खाइबो.
अच्छी सब
ठीक है यदि देई देबे बाकी
no नहीं होची
let him take instruction. He is a very fair counsel. He take instruction. यदि हेई भी परिबो तो बारे किसी क्वेश्चन. Because you are selected, not that you are not selected. And similarly, please, person 35 people have already been observed. Then why not?
last month रे आउ 6 जण को देले out of 34.
I will take forward.
कारण
so I list the matter on 17 us. Next.
Item 47.
47.
Order dated 30/4/15 not complied.
SLP package.
SLP is.
Yes.
Nowadays, government is very pro. You file SLP from Bhubaneswar also. Online. Supreme Court cell te rakho na AG office re. AG office Supreme Court cell. एटू फाइल करो जंदी ओडिशा हाई कोर्ट रो जंदी विभिन्न डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो अछि ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेल बना एटू सब फाइल करो गुड दुटा एआर को डाकी दियो बस ड्राफ्टिंग करो फाइल करो
एटा होछि से मु आपन को कहली गुडे माय लर्निंग सीनियर मिस्टर मनोज मांती का आदमी मैटर दैट जुसी केस बिल्लाणी केस एटा पूरा सिमिलर से केस से मना करछनी से माने कवर करना दी बट सिमिलर केस ना आपन मते 10 तारिख कहछनी पॉजिटिव इंस्ट्रक्शन आने पे सेम केस खाली एटा रिलेटिंग टू खोरदा
Law Department has engaged Sri Ramendra Mohan Pandey and Shivu Shankar Mishra ex-AR to conduct ex-AR can do. अच्छा शिव शंकर में से एक सेवा pending ଅଛି
disengaged since 9th.
But where have you filed, sir? ये तो वकालतनामा गोटे धरि देले मते देखै देले एमती वकालतनामा केते रिसीव करू हम फाइल कोडी करछि हम
नहीं इससे डाइट नंबर ता लिखि
कोडी
हां ये अछि
ओ डाइट नंबर अछि अच्छा
हम आउट देखछि
ठीक है ठीक है since the Lord Council of the state submit that Lord Council of the state submit that since the government has preferred SLP before the Supreme Court of India with this diary number, the diary number, hence let the matter be kept events till that the SLP is disposed of. I mention कर दे जो ना SLP disposed of mention other of the party mention. Next.
Item 48.
I will file complaint.
Anganwadi helper.
So called the complaint whatever it is. If the order has been complied, then complaint certificate.
ଟିକେ କହିଦିଏ ଏଥିରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି କି ମୁଁ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ହେଲ୍ପରରେ କାମ କରୁଛି more than 10 years ମୋର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ୍ସ କହୁଛି ଯଦି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ହେଲ୍ପର କାମ କରୁଥିବ more than 5 years ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଅଛି
ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ କହନ୍ତୁ everybody knows it
ନୂଆ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର ପାଇଁ ଆଡଭାର୍ଟାଇଜ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ୱାର୍କର ପାଇଁ ଆଡଭାର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲି ସେଠି ମୋର ଯେହେତୁ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ହେଲ୍ପର ମୁଁ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି more than 5 years ମୋର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଥିଲା ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ୍ସ ରେ ଅଛି ଯଦି more than 5 years ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଥିବ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଦିଆଯିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ସେମାନେ ଦେଲା ପରେ ସେମାନେ ରିମେନ୍ ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ ଫର 1 year ରହିଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଜଣକୁ ସେମାନେ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ଏଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ ଏରିଆ ସେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ ପିଲା ନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିପି ସେଇ ଗାଁର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏସଟି କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ କୁ ଦବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏସଟି କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ କୁ ଦବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ ଏରିଆ ସେ କୁହନ୍ତି ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଏରିଆ ଇଜ ସେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ ଏରିଆ ସେଇ ଏରିଆରେ ଯେହେତୁ ସେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ
ट्राइबल एरिया रे जति टू सेंटर पे हेतिबो एडवर्टाइजमेंट जति सेठी ट्राइबल कैंडिडेट न मिलला ताले नेक्स्ट अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर को माने इनवाइट करबे एप्लीकेशन सेठी जति न मिलला देन जीपी दिस इज द केस मैम
एथिरे कोन जे ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ନ ଆଣି के
एप्लीकेशन पे गवर्नमेंट को जाईची ऑर्डर टा भी सेया थिला
ऑनरेबल कोर्ट कहले जे मोर क्लैरिफिकेशन डीएसडब्ल्यू पठेले डायरेक्टर वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट को जे हमें एको दबु को नाही से क्लैरिफिकेशन 2021 रु मगेले ସେମାନେ କ୍ଲାରିଫିକେସନ ନ ଆଣିକି ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦଉଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ଅନରେବଲ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ମୁଁ ରିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ କଲି ଅନରେବଲ ରିଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଡିଏସଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲାରିଫିକେସନ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟରଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ସେଟା ଦିଆଯାଉ ବୋଲି ସେ କ୍ଲାରିଫିକେସନ ମାଗିବା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ବି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅନରେବଲ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେବା ମଧ୍ୟ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁଏସସି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଡିଏସଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ କୁ ଯେ ଏକୁ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦବୁ କି ନାହିଁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ହୋଲ କେସ୍ ଅଫ ଦ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ରୁ ଏଟା ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ କି
18
this month your lordship
I'm blessed. January next
49
मैं ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
vacation
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ନେକେଡ ବଡି ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ଟାଇମ ମାଗିବି
last
ନେକେଡ ବଡି କହିଲେ
vacation पर
ଯୋଉ ଲୟର ପାଖରେ
last ଥିଲା
ଫାଇଲ ଫାଇଲ କିଛି
file ଅଛି
so
no result no
so when do you want
vacation पर ଗତ ଥର ଏଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଚାନ୍ସ ଥିଲା ତ
16 ନଭେମ୍ବର ଫାଇନାଲ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
Malo like item number 37
ପଳେଇ ସାଇଲା ନା ମିଷ୍ଟର ମିଶ୍ର
this matter was taken up
ସୁଇ ପଡବ ବୋଲେ କେନ୍ତେ ହବା
other
15 November
15 November
it is too late it is too late because they are not filing the counter and that vehicle mallet that has been seized forcefully mallet
oh first November ହେଲା first November Next,
Item 50.
50.
My lord, 49 টা কেবে আসো?
Hmm?
49 টা।
16th November.
16 November. Obviously.
May I please your lordship, in this case, my land and senior friend appearing for the state filed their counter.
50.
Yes, your lordship.
Here
My
कौन
case,
issue था?
my case is that your lordship, I passed metric from National Open School, your lordship.
Hmm.
But that document has not been taken into consideration while I have applied for Anganwadi worker, but my document has not been, certificate has not been honored by the authority on the ground that it is not
नहीं, open
equivalent.
school के ये करो ना जब
Affiliated no, ଆମର ଯୋଉ board of secondary under the ଯୋଉଟା ସବୁ affiliated unit, this is not an affiliated.
national open नहीं
এই institute টা ନାହିଁ।
वो institute कहाँ
ତାଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ
Government
ଜଗତପୁରରେ
ଉପରେ?
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା
अरे गवर्नमेंट ଉପରେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଠିକ ଅଛି
এটা affiliated ନୁହଁ ଆମ counter specific stand is there man. My specific stand is this unit, this organization is not an affiliated unit of the government of Orissa.
My document is of the year 2016, your lordship.
your can you show that document
My document is annexure, your lordship, kindly have a glance, annexure 1. Annexure 1, my document.
Orissa state open school it is the state government registered
Yes,
अच्छा registered under
Under
এটা
government of
सरकारी नहे
Orissa.
बाबा এটা private
Your lordship, kindly have, my
सरकारी
document.
नहे registered under government of Orissa नाले Orissa government ଲେଖାନ୍ ଦେନା
Yes, your lordship, another thing, they have given the logo of the National Open School.
भाई लोगो देवारे कोन अछि आजकल
that
तो
logo
सब
is there.
केते कोन लोगो बारुछि
That annexure C/5, that logo they have supplied in their
अरे
counter.
भाई लोगो
I-
सप्लाई फप्लाई छाड़ो किछि एटा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिसा रे नहे एटा बस एति जान
I will take instruction, the original copies along with me, I will take.
जहां न गवर्नमेंट ओडिसा
Let it be
ओडिसा ओपन स्कूलिंग किछि अछि
Odisha State Open Schooling, Cuttack.
कटक में तो बहुत अछि जे 17 से कटक रे काम या 17 रे
17 हजूर,
डुप्लीकेट आई के दी
Lordship, এটা ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ନେଇଯାଏ instruction whether these documents are duplicate or not. I
अरे ओपन स्कूलिंग जदी नाही ओडिसा रे ताला आपण सब एवरीथिंग इज डुप्लीकेट
नहीं स्कूल अच्छी बोली से कहउଛନ୍ତି but this
नहीं
school
नहीं
is
हमें नेट रे चेक कर दो
अच्छा।
ओपन स्कूल रे जना पड़िबनी सरकार थिले वेबसाइट रे बिथिबो तार ओडिसा ओपन स्कूल ओडिसा स्टेट ओपन स्कूलिंग it is an autonomous organization
yes sir.
Established under Indian Trust Act, Indian Registration Act for Promotion of Secondary and अरे बाबा এটা তো পুরা কি বিশ্বাস করি
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି B/5 page 7 ନା ସେଥିରେ ପୁରା ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଟା ଦେଇଛି ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ affiliated unit ଆମର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ତା ଭିତରେ ଇଏ ନାହିଁ
এটা 28/2022 ର ମୋର document ହଉଛି 2016 ର let it my land and senior yes my land and senior friend is depending upon this document which is date on 2022. Your lordship, my document is 2016. So may I pray one thing, your lordship, let it be come after vacation, after puja holidays. If
okay. Let it come on 3rd November है ना
yes sir.
3rd November ये ओपन स्कूल रे चेक करा एटा तो गवर्नमेंट रे नहे एटा
Government nahi, sir,
प्राइवेट ओटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
they will take affiliation from government and conduct the examination, and the hologram and everything is open school hologram. That is my document also, and the hologram is matching with that document C/5. That is my case.
Your hologram might be
Well,
I mean
probably
real hologram might be real
Uh.
but your school itself is not, fake
then
then
I have no case.
there are United Nation University
No, yes sir.
somewhere in Delhi or somewhere
ଆମ
Yes, sir.
ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟ ର ହଲୋଗ୍ରାମ କି ପୁରା
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ନା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ not equivalent
high court hologram ଆଉ କେତେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ତ ଜାଣିନା ଏତିକି ଅଛି ये the tips of the iceberg the entire iceberg is there huge iceberg
deep.
well anyway let him find out huh
Yes sir. 1st November
Third number.
52. May I please, my lord?
52.
My
50,
क्या कहते हो?
52 my lord, I will file counter affidavit in this case.
52 government is to file a counter. Last occasion,
आपण क्या पे?
I am for the petition only.
अच्छा. 53.
52.
Sorry, 52. Sorry. 52.
2 weeks time.
এটা petition আছে?
Petitioner sir, my lord and senior Mr. Das.
I am for the petition.
Okay. 9 rasu. 9 November.
Yes, madam. Interim order to
Interim order to next. 53.
53.
May I please, your lordship? The father is claiming compensation for the death of his son.
How
Kindly
did
say,
he die?
hello, donga budi ki mari gala.
Capsizing a boat.
Boat.
केड़े बड़ा boat?
Boat.
केड़े बड़ा boat?
ना बोर्डटा जे लोक पैसेंजर से पार होतले नदी से गोटे जगह मिसिंग हैला 4-5 दिन पर बांकी पुलिस स्टेशन नयागढ़ रे गणिया पुलिस स्टेशन मिसिंग हैला बांकी पुलिस स्टेशन डेड बॉडी रिकवरी हैला तापरे बांकी रे भी यूडी एफआईआर हैतला त नरसिंहपुर रे पुलिस स्टेशन सेठी भी एफआईआर हैला तारे क्लेम हैला रिट पिटिशन फाइल हैतला वर्तमान काउंटर से कहउतना मु एलिजिबल फॉर 1 लाख किंतु डिस्प्यूट कले जे मु अपोजिट पार्टी नंबर 3 टा इनस्टेड ऑफ कटक मु एटा नयागढ़ कर देथिली सेटा मिस्टेक कमिटी करथिली सब दैट हैज अमेंडेड पूर्व रिट रे मते सेटा करेक्शन हैतला जे एटा कटक बोली एति गजी डिस्प्यूट किंतु काउंटर से कहदनी आई एम एंटाइटल्ड फॉर 1 लाख.
So I mean, you are entitled to that amount. You just take exception on that. The lord is straight to take exception. Okay. Total actually कितने मिल जाएगा था?
मतलब
कितने मिल जाएगा था हम लोग?
सुबिलांटी सुन पर
कितने मिल जाएगा था? लखे ना? They are agreeable to that.
Yes, yes.
That.
होप लाइक.
वहाँ पात्र है जहाँ होप है वहाँ.
ना सेतले से थिला तो अधिका केन क्लेम
ये जाके करा देंगे
ऑफ लाइट
पटाओ उनको
ऑफ लाइट
नेक्स्ट
54
may I please your lordship? My lord, the matter relates to funny compensation, my lord. Your lordship in the last video directed to pay the whole amount.
Funny तो itself is funny हो गया है.
My lord, in the last occasion we have directed to pay the whole amount rather giving the amount the state provided counter.
Final copy.
पहले
Not eligible. Is not eligible.
My lord, after 2 years of first inquiry was done in 2019. After 2 years we are doing it.
After thought रे तो काटी छे बोले तो पाई.
नहीं after thought no. Eligibility criteria ताकर पक्का घर अछि से आसीचंदी एठी कि फनी कंपनसेशन लेबे जते बेले फनी रो से जो फर्स्ट पेज रो दिया हला डिस्बर्स कराला अमाउंट गवर्नमेंट सेते बेले गोटे
जी का फायदा नहीं पड़ेला गवर्नमेंट
गोटे फील्ड इंक्वायरी करी कि समस्त ने 10,000 लाख सेते बेले देई देथिले सेटा को सेटा टेक इट ग्रांटेड सेटा समस्त नेले आ गोटे केस फाइल करछि
फाइल रिजल्ट
Okay, I'll file the regent.
फाइनल कर दो 1st November फाइनल ईयर फाइनल ईयर 1st November.
Next item also.
Next
also, my lord. Same.
next code
55.
Okay. Next
56.
56.
Yes, 56. My lord, as per the direction of this honorable court, copies have been already served to the concerned LIC.
Hey, Nandi, Asinadi.
No.
6. There are 2 titles.
You are for the LIC?
I'm for LIC. It's second matter. You find it when you ask. In that matter, we have filed a counter affidavit.
Okay. You want to file the reply? You can file it. Give me the copy. Give me a copy. Second November. Yes.
57.
विजय कुमार नायक पड़े गले मिस्टर नायक आपनकर एटा बदे 57
item 57
अपन मैटर जानि
57 and 58 prayer is common victim compensation matter
prayer
prayer for compensation for the victim of a crime
Who crime?
rape and murder. Rape.
Huh?
First one the rape. 57 is rape. 58 is rape and murder.
Sure.
Claim is pending before the district legal service authority. Mala she issued a notice.
Kebetu. What is pending achi?
Sir,
District legal service who district?
Madam?
ଆପଣ ଅଧା ଅଧା କାହିଁ କହନ୍ତି ପୁରା କହିଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ପୁରା ତ କହିବେ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଲିଗାଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ଅଥରିଟି ନୟାଗଡ଼
ଦିଟା ଜାଗା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଲିଗାଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ଅଥରିଟି ନୟାଗଡ଼
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ କହିବେନି କି ଆପଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟଟା କଣ ବୁଝିଲେ
ସାର୍ ଏଥିରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ମୁଁ ଆଣିଛି ଆପଣ
କୋଉଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ
58 ରେ ଅଛି ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଥିରେ ସେ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ରିସିଭ କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସି DSL
କେସଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରିଦନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ପଇସା ପାଇସି ନେବେ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
25,000 ଟଙ୍କା ସାର୍ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଉ 25,000 ପାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତଳେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ପାର୍ଟ କେ ଦେବେ ନା ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଧରି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଯାଇକି ମଦ ପିଇ ଦେବେ ନା କଣ ଆଉ ଆଜିକାଲି କଣ ପଇସା ଦେଲା ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଲା ମାନେ ମଦ ପିଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେ ବି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ରିପିଟେଡ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି ସେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନବା ପାଇଁ ରେଷ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟଟା
ମାଝ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡେଟ୍ ଆଇଲେ
ସରକାର ପଇସା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ରେଡି ଆପଣ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ରେଡି ନୁହେଁ ସିଧା ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ପଳେଇ
ମାନେ ବୋଥ ମ୍ୟାଟର ମାନେ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡେଟ୍ ଆଇଲେ ଆସ୍କ ମାଇ କ୍ଲାଏंट ଟୁ appear डेट फिक्स करो से तापर से डिसाइड कर देबे
Allah चले छथि
जोड़ा दा डेट फिक्स के डिसाइड हे जाउ से अपेयर करी
state submit that the petitioner has already received the first phase of the compensation amount of amounting to rupees 25,000 on 5/4/2014 out of 50,000 under the Odisha Victim Compensation Scheme of 2012 under SBI check is a SBI check number 668845 dated 21st March 2014 Ella and the rest of the amount due but the petitioner is not approaching the legal service authority Nayagarh for claiming the said amount. Hence, the petitioner doesn't have a case. Sorry, the petitioner, the grievance of the petitioner is already redressed, accordingly disposed of. Hala?
No pending thola ali appear.
How फिर कौन?
एठी पे नहीं ना आपण जिबे जाई सेठी नै कि जान तो
कौन कौन?
50
एटा को पेंडिंग रखि देई कि
ना मु कहू जेटा डिस्पोज ओटा डेट फिक्स करी आले अपियर मैं ही विल डिसाइड सेटल
आपण जिबे तो कोन अपियर कर
57 ना मान से डिस्पोज फिक्सिंग डेट
आपण से जिबे से बाबर पैसा रखाई छ धरि के ऑर्डर कोन दरकार अब जाई आनिबेनी कि कोन करियो
अरे खेलु चंदी ओते मो साथ रे
देते नि पैसा
ओकलो दवा पड़िबो
असल कथा सेठी कहउनांदी आपण पैसा पाला ले की पजरी तू कि रे
अरे खोली देले कथाटा
खोली आमे जानिनु आमे चंद्रमार आसु तो आपण खोली देले कथा जाना पड़ुनी ये सब चंपटी एटा सब चंपटी कारवा
420
आपण किछु कहि पारंती बट चंपटी you give me this percentage I will get you this amount motor vehicle act रे से तार जो एक्सीडेंट जी हितो तार ज्ञाति कुटुंब पहुंचबे आगरु लॉयर पहुंची जानते सेठी बोले चंपटी अगर सेठ भला अमाउंट मिलियो श्योर शॉट
सर 6 लाख टका उठेनि नाम न कटक रे
आज्ञा केते लक्ष उठे चंदे अब एटा टिप्स इन आइस पर
मु गोटे इन्वॉल्व थली 6 लाख उठेनि ची वकील
ओके नेक्स्ट
59
मतलब बोथ मैटर डिस्पोज ऑफ
हां बोथ
पिटीशन ऑनलाइन
both next
matter relates to disengagement of Gram Rozgar Sevak.
Bye.
For my lord's convenience, I prepared a sort of take charge.
No, why?
The interesting aspect of the matter is a particular work assigned to Gram Sathi. He alleges, after 2 years of the completion of the work, he alleges instead of using labors, Gram Rozgar Sevak engaged JCB machine. Therefore, it was earlier completed and some money has been surplus. 48,000 was surplus and 6% has been. That was the entire allegation. And the work
लोको लेबर लगवा जगह रे जेसीबी मशीन लगे काम करनो जे आ लेबर जगह रे जो खाता रे नहीं खाना पूर्ति ସେଥିରେ ରାମ ସାମ ମିଥୁନ ଚକ୍ରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଜିତେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଧର୍ମେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସବୁ
Sir,
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
interesting aspect is,
ଧରା ପଡନ୍ତି
sir, who
ଆଉ
has
ମଜା ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ କଥା ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏମଏନଆରଜି ରେ ଗୋଟେ ପିଆଇଏଲ ହିୟରିଂ ହଉଥିଲା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଜଜ ଦୁଇଟାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ବି ସେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ
earlier also you lost
ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ଲାଗିନଥିଲା ବାକି ଜଜ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ନାଁ ଥିଲା
in earlier occasion with this aspect. Here the interesting aspect is the person who was assigned with work order jaha issue hoitila gram sathi, he alleges that so and so person gram sathi has engaged missing. How can it be? So there is a direct.
What is the reply?
And the reply is, I will submit on counter. Yes, counter has been filed. State. देखो तो 4
file
4
state now देखिए वो
4 8 update
हां डायरेक्टर माने को अलगा चंद्रमा रे आसंती स्टेट रे नय कि
सर सेतरे केस ता माय केस हैज बीन एडमिटेड
बट स्टेट रे ना फिर आपण काउंसिल अलगा अलगा हले तार त कोन स्टेट रो रूल खत्म हो गेला हाउ
page 8 of the counter is very clear. That to the direct judgment of this honorable court, if the work is not assigned to that person, he should not be held.
Sir, सेटा सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कोर्ट रो जजमेंट दरकार ता पे
sir
अरे कॉमन सेंस
of life.
That is something called common sense also.
The two documents I have.
Okay, give that judgment anyway.
Yes.
I reserve it.
Yes.
अच्छा आपण काउंटर Friday last time. Friday. Okay. Friday. Let it come on Friday.
Two judgments I am handing over.
Okay.
Lordship, kindly.
संग लगा दियो. Next.
Item 60.
60. 60. Now good.
60. Before I start, your lordships,
You'll start.
a little exception I did.
Okay. What is
Yesterday, this matter was mentioned. That it will
Where?
come up today.
Before me.
Yes, your lordships. That this matter was there yesterday. So he mentioned, the junior counsel mentioned, no, and he does not bother to inform the petitioner or to me or know our convenience on this matter.
Yesterday there is good.
I know, but at least a
half
little,
an hour.
at least a little courtesy to let us know.
There are so many discourteous people are here.
Yes, I would develop that ability to grasp with it, but I thought of expressing my anguish. And knowing very well that only on Friday they have filed the counter. Only on Friday.
So
and I'll have to make.
Who has filed the counter?
They have filed the counter who had the honor to the interviewer filed the counter.
Copy number 4.
Yes.
Because that is
And they
you have filed the counter. You filed the
rejoinder. Yes. And the others are yet to file the counter.
Okay, so let me fix a day.
No,
Lordships. Yes.
May I
Yes.
permit?
No, again, interviewer should be the last person to speak.
Because of the interim order.
No, your lordship, the interviewer should be the last person
Let
to
me
speak.
fix a date. We'll finish it. No interim order, nothing. And on that day, I'll finish it.
And your lordships will look at this absolutely wrong submission.
Try to hear it for several occasions because of something. Interviewer आसीगला, आउ कौन हेगला, ऐसी गड़ी चलती.
Let it come on Monday.
आउ से तेरे कई टाइम नहीं भी.
Monday.
Monday.
Monday. Because
ଗୋଟେ note submit କରୁଛି. I stand out from.
Yeah.
I am OP number 6.
किए अपना?
I was an intervener.
अरे किए भाई को ना को?
Sri Mahavir Feruello.
How you are affected?
Yes, I'll just.
No, affected coiler.
Yes. I stand out from amongst all of the other interveners and the
So
petitioners.
you stand tall.
Not tall, outstanding.
Okay.
So I am involved in processing of blast furnace, blue dust and LD sludge.
Where?
In Rourkela, which
Rourkela.
are
Koti.
Kolunga Industrial Estate.
ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି?
ମୁଁ pellet ତିଆରି କରେ. ସେ pellet ରେ I propose to use LD sludge and blast furnace flue dust.
How you are affected by?
I am coming to that, my lord. Steel making. ସେ ଯୋଉ ମୁଁ ସେଟା
I am not disputing steel making. ୟୁଜ ମୁଁ ସେଟା କହିବା ମୁଁ ତ process ପଚାରୁନି ତମେ କେମିତି ଏଇଥିରେ ଆସିଲ ସେଟା
hazardous waste. I applied for an approval which was denied to me because of that earlier policy. That is how I am affected. I do not have any direct.
Why everybody is joining the issue with
There's no reason, your lordships.
I have suffered collateral.
There's two aspects.
So I have a solution, my lords. A solution where all the stakeholders should be satisfied. And it would be in accordance with the rules and the.
ଆପଣ left five ଅଛି କି left five ପୁରା ବାହାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ନୂଆ formula.
Pardon, my lord. No, I considered because the matter is getting diluted and I have seen my lords. I am appearing for the first time before my lord. I have seen my lord is simple solution oriented. Therefore, I thought over the matter. I proposed a solution.
Okay.
If
You,
it is
you,
accepted,
you preserve your solution
Yes,
till that, till the next date.
Yes,
On that day, I will also hear your solution. on
Yes.
that. If it is tangible.
yes, of course, my
tangible,
lord.
And
Solution.
visible.
It is not a submission, it is a
Otherwise, simply
proposition.
saying solution is not going
It's a proposition, not a submission.
Let it come on.
Lordship, let it come on 16th. 16th.
October.
16th.
October.
16th.
16 my lord, I will not. do
I
that
think
because
we'll
I am going.
Lordship's holidays, but
somebody. How much date change କରିବିନି ବାରମ୍ବାର ଏତେ
Ninth
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଜୁନିୟର ଆପଣ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କାଗଜ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଜୁନିୟର
power ଅଛି ଯେ
power
your lordships actually does not.
diluted unnecessary otherwise.
And the thing is, your lordships, apart from he's been complaining that there is some policy, there is some stay order, but the fact remains that this model which we are using is a patented product, and even the central government has stated that unless they don't take a permission from us, nobody gets the grant. So he is really not affected by this. He has many forums to travel before his application be considered. But however, your lordships, I insist that it be taken up on 16th. On 16th,
right.
I know we are going to spoil your lordship's holiday.
And you will see that, sir. We are not dealing with
technology, but
patented technology and non-patented. We are dealing with the
patented because unless now technology is
technology that will solve the problem.
Not the
Whether
patent that
technology, alternative technology, we are
see
providing.
that, sir.
And it's written in the by the central government
Let's
yes,
let's fix on 16th and 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Yes, yes.
Not 16th, on 18th. my lord. On
16th,
18th. Because I will be coming back on 17th.
Sir, I have a lot of matters on that other day. That's why
problem is,
we'll
Lord,
already fixed my matters.
because I will be out from 11th to 17th. So
17th.
I will be coming back on 17th.
And
Let it
it's
come on
got them to
18th. Let it come on 18th.
I want
That is the only request.
Note to
Note because the client is insisting because that is the your lordship must also understand my
doubt
doubt do I have that
junior note
no doubt
I'll not ask him any question.
Let it come on 18th. That is the only request on 18th.
Sir, matter ରଖିଛି ସେଠି ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଛୁଟି ସହ ଆସିବ
ନାଇଁ 18 ତାରିଖ 19 ତାରିଖ ଛୁଟି ହଉଛି 19 ହଉଛି ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ଆରେ 17 18 ସବୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଗୁଡା ଅଛି ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଛି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଦିନରେ ନାହିଁ 16 ରେ 16 ନାହିଁ ନା ଖାଲି ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ନାହିଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି
ନହେଲେ 30 ତାରିଖରେ ଆସୁ
ଆଉ 30 ନାହିଁ
16th ରେ ମିଳିବ
sir 30 ତାରିଖ କିଏ କିଛି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଥିବ ନଥିବ I don't know. I want to finish it.
16th
I'll
be coming back only on 17th.
Interested this be heard because we are aware that your lordship is
I am
aware.
interested that matter should be heard by this.
I have some basic exposure to this subject.
Yes, your lordship. That's what we also want to bank upon.
So that's why please have
at least on 17th, my lord, 17th let it
sir
be.
अच्छी matter fix
Because
already
that is the whole problem because
ଦିନ ଦୁଇଟା ତିନିଟା ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ fix କରିଛି ଆଉ କାରଣ ଲମ୍ବା matter ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ସରି ରହି ଯାଉଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ହଉଛି ମୁଁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଉଛି ସେ ଫେରିବି that is the whole that is the only
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ note ଟେ ବନେଇ ଜୁନିୟର କୁ ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଚିନ୍ତା କର ଆଉ ଯଦି ଦରକାର ପଡିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଫାଳେ ଥିବ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିଦେଇ ପଳେଇବେ ହେଲା that's I can accommodate
ମୁଁ ନୋଟ ଟା
ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବେ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେ କେତେ 17 କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ 17 ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ 15 ମିନିଟ୍ ଦେବି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ 17 that's all
my lord ମୁଁ note ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି my lord with the acquainted with
I don't know matter unnecessary linger let's finish
the short note
only 4 points it will hardly take 15 minutes for your lordship to
ଆଉ
appreciate
ଅଧିକ ଦେଇ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଅଧିକ ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଇ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ 15 minute hold short 4 points have to be considered by your lord and I am
15 20 maximum stretchability 5 minutes more
for your lordship it will not be very difficult to enter assimilate everything within 5 minutes.
My lord, we also should have some case management guideline for the final hearing 5 minutes 10 minutes.
We'll see that.
So on 17th so
start
I'll be
arguing
given
on that because I restrict from the beginning because some people just keep stretching it unnecessarily. That
not
pinpointed to the point.
Pinpointed 4 points only 4 points.
See, I am very much particular on the facts. Very, very precise. Unnecessary.
Every matter has a heart.
Short note. Give a short note
I have given
with page reference.
Pages. 2 pages note with page reference.
That's all.
Your lordship may indicate that I may be hard on 17th, so that unless
I am here.
No, your lordship is there. I have.
ସେ ଦିନଟା ଯାଉ ସେ ଦିନ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ହବନି ଯୋଉ ଦିନ 16 ତାରିଖ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ହବ एबे प्रोग्राम के बने
आहुरी इंटरवेनर अछंती ना कहया भाई
ना ना आ
सर कहिबे
आपण
स्टेट कहबो
16 रे माने सब आर्गुमेंट कलाडे बहुत सब लागिवो एते लोक सब कलाडे 17 पे आपण 15 मिनिट बस 17 टू अलगा मैटर थिले भी आपण 15 मिनिट आपण दे देबी आपण कर देबी देन आई स्टार्ट अदर मैटर्स हला
interim order to continue.
One thing you also indicate, I am appealing for the pollution control.
Pollution control.
If any of the intervener file any.
कॉपी दियंतु ताकू
कॉपी
देबे मत
कॉपी
हमें
कॉपी दे
he is a man stakeholder you can't ignore
yes sir I have already solved
everybody should
actually problem है my lord aluminium ऊपर सब dispute
आज्ञा मते जणा अछि आज्ञा आ एते कहंतु नि
आयरन वाला फसी